Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. Welcome, welcome, welcome all. Lovely to have you here. Thank you very much for being here. We go live every morning for the opening bell and the closing bell. My name is Martyn Lucas. I'm the Day Trader, and what we do here live on YouTube. That's the best place to watch us. Wherever you're watching now, we're over about 20 different platforms, but the very best place to watch us is on YouTube because we have a great community here, supporting each other, learning from each other, and we share our trading screens as well. Okay, so here we go. If it's your very first time, click subscribe and ring the bell. What we do here, which is quite unique to other YouTubers, is we share our real live trades. I actually share my own bank account live on the screen, and don't try to influence you in any way. I want nothing from you. We're just a community together supporting each other. Once you subscribe, give us a thumbs up. We're a brand new channel. We're 9 weeks old this week, and we've grown from 0 to 1,500 subscribers in 9 weeks. It's been wonderful, and we have a great community. Right, let's get straight over into it. Here we go. We've got just 27 minutes before the bell goes, and everything is down today. Down 1%. Is that a problem? No, it's not. It's a time to just consolidate. It's not going to be a trading day, I wouldn't imagine. Not a lot going on, but that's absolutely fine. It is September. It's what happens. We've got a bit of a correction going on. Did you buy the dips? All that kind of stuff. All right. Let's go over to my portfolio and let's run down it. We've got Bill here. Good morning, everyone. Let me put Bill on the screen. If you're over there on TikTok, 90% of people on TikTok watch me to laugh and say I've got a bald head, and that's fine. They like to mess about. But if you are the 10% that actually want to meet a community and trade and learn with us and be together and support each other, then click the profile link just behind here. There is a profile link to YouTube. It's right there. I put it there for you, and you can come on and be part of our community, and you can see my trading screen, see my bank account, and see exactly what I'm doing. All right. So if you want to be part of that, just click the profile. If you're the 90% that just want to talk nonsense and laugh at my head, that's fine. That happens a lot on TikTok. But if you're the 10% that have come here to talk to a community and trade and learn from each other, then click the profile and click on the YouTube link and come into the live chat and talk with our traders and see our trading screens. All right, let's get right down to it. The overall market is down 1%. Alicia and Patricia, good morning, good morning, good morning. Thank you very much indeed. Our ladies from Italy are here in the YouTube live chat. Thank you so much indeed. We've got friends today watching on Facebook, Instagram, and other places as well. If you want to talk to all our traders, come over to YouTube. That's the best place to be. All right. Amazon right now, Amazon is down 1.64. Big drop for Amazon this morning. Big drop. That really is a big drop. I wonder if I've got any more money to put in there. No, not really. $50. No, I mean, I've got 40. I got $40. That's probably about it, really. But hey, I'll do it because that's a big drop. That's a big drop. Let's do that. Let's do that right now. Let's do that right now. Dollars, $40 onto Amazon. Review order. And buy. Done. There we go. There we go. Refresh the screen. There we go. Just bought some Amazon because that's quite a drop for Amazon. Only $40. There we go. All my cash is now spent. Nothing else to invest. All invested. Amazon. Let's have a quick Johnson & Johnson. That's also down 0.5%. Tesla is down today, nearly 1%. Opportunity to buy in for Tesla as well. Facebook is down 1.52. Good morning, Patricia. Good morning, Alicia. There we go. Smash the like button. Just done. And morning to all. Alicia and Patricia want to say good morning to everyone. Thank you very much indeed. Oh, look at that. We're already over 11. Absolutely great. The house is all here. Wonderful stuff. Family is in the house. All right. Okay. So Apple is down 1.6. Another great discount going on right now. Let's have a cup of tea. Another opportunity to buy there, but all my money is spent now, all invested, so I can't do no more. Coca-Cola is down 0.21. AT&T is down. It's a bit of a down start to the day. You can see my overall portfolio is down. Google is down 1.69. Blimey. Opportunity to buy Google as well today. There we go. Big drops. Microsoft is down. Walmart is down. Shall we go on? Everything is down. Ford, on the other hand, is up 2.86. I'm now, for the very first time, in profit with Ford. About time and all. That's great. That's good to see. Whoa! Rolls-Royce up 10% pre-market again. Look at it. 48%. Absolutely fantastic. Total return now 48%. Rolls-Royce, there we go. Always great. Every day it just seems to get better. Builder is flat this morning. Robinhood is just down 1.56. Lucid Group just down slightly, but I'm just about in the green now. Harpoon up 6% pre-market. That's good to see. We're getting some bounces now. Over this week now, we're up 1%. But we're still down on the month. But we're starting to see a little bit of a lift there. Look, yeah. Oh, good. I want to get out of this mess. I can't buy Rolls-Royce on my app. Ah, oh. Sorry about that, mate. Carnival is down today, 1%. Bitcoin is what's bringing my portfolio down. If you can look at it now, it's down a third now. At nearly 2% today. So that's a big drop for the day. All right. Hi there, Jalpa from Bradford. Jalpa is over there on TikTok this morning. How are you, Jalpa? Lovely to have you here. Why are you over there on TikTok? You're one of my serious traders, right? You're not one of the silly, the 90%. You're one of the 10%. Come over to YouTube. What are you doing over there? You can't see my trades or anything. What's good? You're not in my. You can't talk to Alicia and Patricia and Bill and Dr. Nathan Smith. Is Dr. Smith still here? He was here at the opening. Are you still here, Doctor? You were here. Your comment was before we went live, so it's not in the live chat right now. Are you still here? Argo blockchain down again today. Yeah. I'm really. Yeah, I don't see any. Yes, he is. There you go. I'm glad about that. I was worried for a minute. I thought, where's he gone? All right, everyone, if you've just come in, smash the like button, subscribe, ring the bell if you're watching us on the replay. So, morning, everyone. Good morning. Don't forget, every day, let me know on the show if it's anyone's birthday, a day or either side. It's fine, or someone you know. If you know someone, it's their birthday, and you would like to give them a gift of me doing happy birthday to them, let me know, and I'll do it, and then you can share the video, right? So I want to do that for anyone. If you know it's someone's birthday or something, or you want to shout out for someone, then let me know, and then you can always share the video, and fast forward to the point where I do it. All right? Because these videos are always on YouTube. They stay there forever. All right, we've got a bit of an army now over on TikTok. 90% of TikTokers just come here to laugh and scroll and look for naked women. Well, I don't do that. We have a great community trading here, and we share our screens. We share our personal bank accounts. I do anyway, with everyone for you all to see and learn, and we share from each other. And if you just click the profile link here, you will find the YouTube link right behind it. If you're 90%, stay where you are. You're looking for naked girls. If you're the 10% that want to trade and meet a community of traders, then click the profile link. Jason, I couldn't find it. It's on my homepage on my YouTube. When I go live, if you've rung the bell, you'll be notified. But if you look at the top of my YouTube channel, it says live now. Or as you scroll down, upcoming live streams. All right? It's right there. If you come over, I'll show you how to find it next time. So it'll be much easier for you. Bitcoin declines from resistance, approaching 40,000 support. We've got all sorts of I call it FUD. I'm not bothered about it. It's if you understand what Bitcoin is, this sort of stuff doesn't bother you at all. It's long-term investing. It's not about quick get-rich schemes. It really. Oh, Martin Redding's here. Fantastic, great stuff. Smash the like button. Everybody's in. So let's go over to some breaking news this morning. Pfizer submits vaccine data for kids aged 5 to 11. So we can be looking at our Pfizer shares today. Let's have a quick listen in.
Data analytics company Amplitude going public on the NASDAQ today through a direct listing pricing at $35 a share. The company will trade under the ticker AMPL. Joining us right now, first on CNBC, is Amplitude's co-founder and CEO, Spencer Skates. Also, Bill Gurley is with us this morning, partner, of course, at Benchmark and an early investor in Amplitude and a legend in Silicon Valley. Can we say that? You've woken up early, Bill, so you're gonna get legend. I don't know. Are you on the East Coast, West Coast this morning?
I'm in Texas right now, so it's not as early as.
It's early enough to get a nice salutation on top of it. But Spencer, it's nice to see you. Congratulations on this milestone this morning. For those uninitiated in terms of what Amplitude does, why don't you try to explain it, and then maybe we can dig in.
Yeah, Amplitude helps companies build data-driven products. We take the same tools that Facebook and Netflix has and bring them to the rest of the market. Today, we have 26 of the Fortune 100, including companies like Twitter, Dropbox, Atlassian, Walmart, and Ford.
What do you mean by that?
Well, we help people understand how people are using their online products, whether it's the mobile apps, the websites, where they're getting stuck, what features they like, what they don't like, what things frustrate them. One of our customers, Peloton, figured out that users who used a social feature during a workout were much more likely to work out subsequently, and they ended up building in new features like high fives and leaderboards to help them engage better in their product and continue to build a workout habit.
I like that. By the way, I use the high fives, and I like it. It helps. Hey, Bill, one of the things that's fascinating about this particular transaction, and so many, has been your commentary online and elsewhere about what's happening in the IPO world, and really your push for direct listings and SPAC.
Should we have a quick look at Amplitude? Anybody interested in that one? New stocks. You often ask about new stuff. So Amplitude, there we go. So there we go. It's not pre-market. It hasn't gone in yet. So today is the IPO. All right, there we go. No information on it at all. There you go. It's going in at 35 pre-market. We might want to keep our eye on that. Add to list. New ideas. Amplitude engage in digital optimization. That helps. Whoops, a daisy. That helps companies analyze its customer behavior with digital products. There we go. That's IPOing today. All right, so it's 35. So probably in a couple of hours from now, we'll see where that goes. What does everybody think? Fancy a bit of Amplitude? Let's go back to learning a bit more about it. Here we go.
Acts like this one. Why?
Well, look, I couldn't be more excited that Spencer and his company have chosen to take this path. And as I've mentioned many times before, the legacy IPO process has devolved into this process where huge one-day gains are transferred from the investment banks to their trading clients, and that number's $200 billion over the past 40 years, but $30 billion just last year. So it's actually gotten worse. There's a modern way to do it. You can actually use supply and demand to determine price and allocation, and that's what the direct listing does. That's how every bond is priced. That's how everyone, I think most intelligent people assume markets work. It's just they don't. And so it's so great to see these smart young founders pushing forward and taking an approach that I think is much better for the company, much better for employees, better for investors, and fits better with the fiduciary duty that we all have on the boards of these companies.
So I just want to go back on that because you said it fits better to the fiduciary duty. Do you believe that IPOs
violates fiduciary duty?
What were we going to say?
Violates fiduciary duty?
Yes.
Yeah, I think knowingly heading into a transaction where you're going to take on. So last year in 2020,
what does everyone think about this? Amplitude, it's open shortly in a couple of hours. It's got some big customers. What do you think?
If you add in a 7% fee on the investment bank, that's a 57% cost of capital. Find me any professor, any finance professor, where a company that's got the possibility of going public, so it's highly legitimate, should have a 57% cost of capital. I don't think you can find it. So yeah, I think selling your shares in your company at a knowing discount and using things like 30x oversubscribe is nutty. Anyway, back to Spencer and his team. I just couldn't be more excited that a group of young founders is moving in this direction. And Jay Ritter put out some data at the end of August that you guys probably saw, where he analyzed all the companies that have chosen the direct listing path, and they've wildly outperformed their
Did
IPO
you see?
peers.
Did you see their figures? Amplitude's figures. Let me just scroll back to it. Here it is. Here, revenue of 39 million, up 66% year over year. Number of paying customers 51% is up 51% year over year to 1,280. What's the financials? Let's scroll back a bit more. All right, net loss per share 0.34 versus 0.47 in Q2. So they're moving in the right direction. They've nearly halved their loss. Quite normal for a for a technology company to lose money for a while. So it looks okay. Nothing to shout about particularly, but we'll keep that on hand. What does everybody think? There it is, $35 a share. Let's have a look. Doesn't give any more information. It also offers customer support related to initial implementation setup. It's headquartered in California, founded in 2011. Very little information here on very little information on it at all at the moment on Robinhood, but you never know. We might come back to that today and see how it goes. See what happens with it. Might be worth a flutter. I don't know. Right, let's look at the market right now. Markets at the moment are down. It's a bad day on the market. I can see from the chat no one's really excited about anything. It's a bit blah. So I want to learn trading from you. What is the problem? What is the problem? We don't have a problem. Do we have a problem? Idris official says, do we have a problem? No idea. If you actually are serious trader and you want to talk money and you want to see my trading screens and you want to see my actual money in my actual bank account here on my portfolio for real, then I suggest you click the profile link here and come onto YouTube. TikTok, 90% of TikTokers just come to scroll past and find naked ladies and then laugh at my head for some reason. But if you actually want to trade with us, click the profile link here and jump into YouTube. The YouTube link's right behind us. You can talk to the team. You can see who's here this morning, and you can see my actual trades, my actual trading screens. You can't see that on TikTok. All right, so you're very welcome. 90% carry on scrolling. 10% of you, they're the ones we're looking for. Come and join us to be part of it. We're here to support you. We want nothing from you other than enjoy the video and be involved. Right, Amazon's now picked up. There we go. I managed to get a bit of a bargain this morning with Amazon. That was good. Johnson & Johnson down, Tesla down, but moving back up again. What about SPCE? Down, but moving upwards. Okay. What about Bitcoin this morning? Still moving. Oh, there we go. A bit of a bounce in the last few. Oh, there we go. Whoa, look at Bitcoin surging. See it live on the screen? Bit of movement there. 81, 80, 79. You see it bouncing around, look. Actually physically see it. 42, 103. Moving quite a bit this morning. How does that affect my portfolio right now? As you can see on live, I'm just picking up slightly. Well, I'm pretty flat, aren't I? This is going to be a tough day, everybody. I'll tell you that now. We're in the middle of September. We've got another couple of weeks to go before things start to recover, and that's the way the cookie crumbles, right? Carnival today, you get yourself a bit of a bargain with Carnival because we've had some real gains. I still feel there's a way to go with Carnival. I think it's going to reach 35, around about that. So there's still some growth left in it. Obviously, if you bought in now, opposed to a couple of months ago, you've missed those real gains. I was in there. I sold out, of course, made some profit from that, but I don't. It's not. I mean, if we look at it over the year, it's returning. It's only going to get to here. It hasn't got a huge amount like it used to have. It's got 30. It's got another sort of $6 probably left in it. A share, that is. So, get yourself a couple of shares, maybe. But don't go mad on it. But if you look at it now, it's dropping back a bit. But I think it's gonna continue to rise though. Look, there it goes. There's not much left in it for me now on that one. All right. Bitcoin now recovering. That's good. 42.2. Keep on going. Let's get it back up again. Let's return. There we go. Now we're seeing the portfolio. There we go. On the past hour, we're up and we're returning. A lot of that now is. I'm glad I bought some Amazon this morning. Keep buying the dips of Amazon and then it returns. All right, let's look at some unusual trades today. Best ideas for Q4. So here's some of the latest things that we should be looking at.
Is this consumer discretionary pick?
It's actually more of a statement.
Thoughts on DAG? If you'd like to ask the team, I've got some really successful traders here in YouTube. Click the profile link, come over to YouTube, and you can ask that question to some successful traders in the live chat. That's the best place. TikTok isn't the place for our trading. It's just where everybody first finds us, and then they come over to YouTube. 90% are looking for half-naked women shaking their bums. We're traders, and if you want to be the 10%, click the profile, find YouTube, and come and join us, and you can talk to our traders. All right, best ideas for Q4 2021.
Staples play, I would say, but Conagra Brands, which is ticker CAG. Yeah. To me, it's an interesting play in what has proven to be a weaker tape, right? We want to find some defensive.
Good morning, John Brunette from Canada in the house. Welcome. Bit of a quiet morning this morning. Bit of a slow one. Not a lot going on. It's set in middle of September now. Things are slowing down. There's not much to talk about. Not much going on. But we are watching a new IPO today. Amplitude. We'll be covering it. We've just been looking at the news about it, so we are looking at that one this morning. A new one you might be interested in.
Exposure in this kind of market, which arguably could consolidate for another few weeks, right? We have Conagra having cleared its 50-day moving average yesterday after having seen a very significant corrective phase. And with that corrective phase, it, of course, underperformed the S&P 500. And what tends to happen in these weaker tapes is that you see rotation into the more oversold areas of the market and out of the more overbought areas of the market, which would probably most obviously be technology.
This isn't a great story. I'm going to screw up that one. This is interesting, random but interesting this morning. We'll come back to that first of all because we are just 6 minutes away from the bell. Keeping our eye on Amplitude this morning. We're now seeing a pickup. There we go. Things have improved in the last hour. There we go. Got a few bargains this morning. Good morning, Erdogan and Benjamin. And Jiggy and 08 over there on TikTok. Welcome. Be part of YouTube. Click the profile and jump into YouTube. John, how are you this morning? Martin, what's going on in your life today? I want to talk to the team today, see how everybody is personally. If anyone knows someone who's got a birthday today or either side of today or whatever, someone they'd like to dedicate a birthday message to, let me know and I'll do the happy birthday song for them. But today's a quiet day. It's a bit of a blur day, to be honest. Not a lot of excitement around the markets. I don't sense it. And typical September, mid to late September now, right? Late September blues. Another couple of weeks, things will be improving. But, of course, the studio is going to be shut down shortly. We've only got 4 days left to go, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then we shut down for a month. And it's going to be a little bit different. I'll be missing you all. I hope you'll miss me. But it's on the road again. Where are you off to, Martin? Where are you going? Jalpa. Hey, moved over now. Jalpa. Right, let me show you. You were asking how you find it. So if you're on the Day Trader, right, my YouTube channel, right, this is what you see. Right, when I go live, it's right at the top. Right, it's right there. How can you miss it? Live right now. Boom. See, it's red. Also, before I go live, if you're looking for it, scroll down to upcoming live streams. It's like a TV guide. Think of it as a TV guide. Upcoming live streams, and there it is. You can get yourself into the show before it starts. So there you go. I hope that answers your question. I couldn't show you that on TikTok, but now I've shown you. I hope that makes sense to you. All right, great. All right, let's go back over to the portfolio. Jalpa is here. Jalpa is new. One of our new friends joined us a few days ago. I don't know if you've met everyone, Jalpa. Visits to customers. Oh, very, very nice indeed. Seeing your customers, having a little drive, a bit of a road trip. Lovely. Well, Martin, it's always lovely to have you here. If anyone would like to say hello to Jalpa, he's brand new. Jalpa, write in the live chat the city and country you're from, because we've got a lot of the regular team here today that I don't believe you've met. But we're watching Amplitude. This is a new IPO today. I wonder where it'll start. Let's have a look. We're now moving slightly up. We're starting to move now. This is good. Have you noticed, everybody, we're doing all right with Ford now. Ford is up 3% today on the pre-market. 3 minutes to go. This will be interesting. This is the very first time I've been in profit with Ford. Despite it being such a rubbishy day, Ford has finally returned a profit. Hi, sorry, my phone froze, so I missed what you said. Apologies. Bradford, West Yorkshire. There we go. Oh, you missed what I said. Okay, I'll say it again then. Okay, you asked how you find the live show. If you go onto the Day Trader YouTube channel, when I go live, it's right there at the top. Just refresh the screen, and there it is. You see it? It says live right now. Live right now. And if I haven't quite gone live, it's a minute or two before, or any time before, in fact, upcoming live streams. Think of that as a TV guide. These are all the upcoming live streams scheduled for the future. Upcoming live streams in order of day, in your time zone, like a TV guide. That's how you find where I am live. And you look at past shows, you go past live streams, and you can see yesterday's show. So if you wanted to show someone a birthday dedication I did, you could scroll back and you could see yesterday's show, and you can scroll through. There you go. Hope that makes sense to you now. All right, we've got a minute and a half to go, and we're seeing some positivity. Right, okay, let's have a look. We're now moving up. Let's have a look. Amazon's returning a little bit, dropped back a bit again. That's great. Thank you so much. You're very welcome, Jalpa. A Ford battery partnership announced. Oh, great. Ford battery partnership announced. Who's the partner with? Because they'd be benefiting as well then. That's good. Let's see if we can continue, because, I've just been constantly out of the money with Ford. We've got 1 minute to go. Where's it going to go? Ford on 5 years is fantastic. Fantastic. Ford are at all-time highs here. If you look at 5 years, we're nearly at the highest it's been for a very long time. Look, June 21, we were at 15.97. We dropped back, but now we're improving. This is great. Of course, to just be in the green at that position, I wanted to obviously get in here around about March 20. March 20, look at that. It was $5 a share. Can you believe it? That's when I should have got in. But anyway, we're just a few seconds away. Let's keep our eye on it. Let's go back to the live now. And we'll go back to the live of a few things. Let's see. Rolls-Royce. Where is it? We've got 9 seconds. Here we go. Let's ring the bell. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Okay, the bell's gone, and we're live now. And let's see what happens. We're watching Rolls-Royce at the moment. And let's ring that bell one more time. If you've just joined us here on YouTube, smash the like button. Give us a thumbs up. Help us to promote it. The more likes we get, the more YouTube promote the show. And then the more people come into the live chat. Kenneth Brunk, as if you'd known that was the time to buy in. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Would have been great though, wouldn't it? Right, okay, let's go back to Ford live right now. Ford is still going up there, look. Let's have a look. As Amazon... No, because I bought a dip this morning of Amazon. There we go, go on. It's going to go up now. Johnson & Johnson just edging back. Tesla, oh, there we go. Tesla's now moving up forward. Facebook down. It's a rubbish day today, guys. I predicted it. I said it was going to happen. Got some real bargains going on at Apple right now. If you've got some money on the side, Apple's a great time to get in. Coke down 0.78. AT&T's had a great week. If you noticed that, yeah. See, a lot of you said AT&T. Always being AT&T. It's got great dividend, 7.59. Been going for many years. Yeah, I like it. Even though it does that, it's always in the game. It's always one to have in your portfolio, I think. As if you'd known that was the time to buy in. It might be okay. QQQ is going up. Let me have a look. Oh, there we go. That's better. Right, I'm up on the hour, and we're returning now. Okay, I've got QQQ, by the way. I think that's probably why Kenneth mentioned it. There we go. QQQ, open in the new tab. There we go. I don't know why I tell you that. Got to stop doing that. QQQ is down today. I'm not sure what you mean. I'm up 13% on it. I just bought more rolls. Yeah. Let's go back to it a minute. Rolls Royce. Yeah, up 9% today. Absolutely fantastic. Yeah, I'm up 47% now on Rolls Royce, by the way. If you look at that, 47%. That's a return and a half, isn't it? Really, really good. I bought in at 132. Very, very happy about that. Really, really good. QQQ is a stock that is used as a metric for the market. It's down, yes, but it's going up. Have a look at it. Let's look at it on the 5-year. Look at that's the 5-year. 1 year. A bit of a dip right now. Time to get some more if you've not got any QQQ. I have a little piece of it. Dropping on the week. Good time to get in. Yeah, what was going up dropped back a bit. But we'll keep our eye on it. We had a bit of a boost when the market opened, and now we've dropped back a bit. But that's typical, right? Amplitude. We're watching Amplitude. I meant today. Yeah, I know. I know. Kenneth. Amplitude. We're watching this today. It's a new IPO. We looked at it this morning. It's very interesting. It's got some interesting clients. This is its financials. It's gone from 0.34 a share losses. It's now 0.34 when it was 0.47. So it's made some big improvements. It's got some great customers. If you want to have a look here, I'll share with you who its customers are. Here we go. These are its customers: Peloton, Walmart, Ecamm, Cisco, Ford. It's got some great Twitter. It's got some good customers, and it IPOs today. You might be interested in it. It's up 60% year over year. All right, the portfolio is dropping back again now. So where are we finding these losses? Bitcoin is returning a bit, bouncing around all over the place at the moment. So not a lot of excitement there. Carnival's having a great day today. Carnival's got a bit of way to go, 35 I reckon. Harpoon, oh nice. Harpoon Therapeutics, my lottery ticket. I might buy like 2. How long did Bitcoin go? How low did Bitcoin go? Right, just a quick talk to my TikTokers. TikTok is 90% of my audience are just scrolling through to find naked ladies and laughing at my head. Well, that's not obviously what I do. So if you are a serious trader and you want to ask questions and see the trades that we're making and talk to the team, Don't stay on TikTok. Just click the profile right here, and the YouTube link is right behind there. You can come into the channel, talk to our traders, see my trades. I will share my bank account, my money with you live on the screen. I want nothing from you. We don't sell you anything. We're just helping each other grow our portfolios. And that's it. If you're the 90%, stay where you are and scroll through. But if you are actually a trader and you want to talk to traders, serious money-making people, then come into the link here and hop on in. You got multivac sharding tech solving. Multivac shared, and I don't know what that means. Get silly comments on TikTok. If you want to come over into YouTube and talk to the team, click on the profile, and the YouTube link's right behind. Harpoon Therapeutics. We're getting some serious bounces now. Have you noticed, guys? This week is now up. Today, we're up 10%. The week is now up 5%, nearly 5%. There we go. Over the month now, we're down, but we had a big spike. I wonder what the news is. Let me have a look. Harpoon Therapeutics. This is the one I bought as a lottery ticket for a bit of fun, right? To see what would happen. Harpoon, Therapeutics. Let's have a look. Harpoon Therapeutics. Stock news. Let's have a look. Poised for bullish run. Stock to watch. Oh, hang on. That's an ad. We're trying to find out what is happening with this stock price and news. Why the stock is suddenly surging like that. Don't you just hate when you try to Google something and all they do is show you adverts and something else? You think, I just want to, you told me this was what I wanted to look for. And when I get there, you're talking about something else. Just answer the question. No, this is not the question. I'm not gonna harp on it and forgive the pun. But all you're trying to do is get me to sell, click on stuff. I'm not interested. Right. Let's have a look. Let's keep our eye on that. There we go. Up 9% today. Total return. I've lost $400 on it at the moment. Hopefully we can get a recovery on that. If you've just come and joined us, smash the like button. And don't forget, when you click the like button, we always seem to go up. So, right, we've got an army of TikTokers talking absolute nonsense, as we always do every day. 90% of people on TikToks. About Poor is in the house. Lovely. About Poor is great. A real trader. Great. Real traders, come off TikTok. Come into YouTube. Click the profile link here and come and join us. Right behind the icon is a YouTube link. Come and talk to our traders and be part of it. 90% on TikTokers are idiots looking for naked dancers, naked girls, and 10% are traders. And if you are, come on into YouTube. That's where you can see my trading screens, my real money, and what I'm actually doing live on the Day Trader. All right, let's have a look. God, look, I thought I bought a bargain with Amazon. It's still dropping. This is unusual, guys, for a big company like Amazon like this. We're trading sideways now. We have been. If you look at it, look, for a year, only 6%. Not doing great. About Poor gave me 2 roses, 3 roses. Thank you ever so much indeed. 4 roses. Thank you for the support over there. 5 roses. What have I done to deserve that? About Poor. All those tips really make a difference. 8 roses? Blimey. And I thank you ever so much for all the support on TikTok. It helps grow our channel because we get most of our audience come from TikTok. 90% are not, of course, but the 10% do. It makes me laugh. What do you think will happen to SRM Serum? Please explain. If you'd like to know about Serum, come and join us here on YouTube. We discuss all of it over there, because then you can discuss it with all the team. I've got an army of people here discussing stocks and shares. All right, let's have a look. Amazon's still going down. Johnson & Johnson moving down. It's a big day today. I can't go up every day. It can't go up every day. No, besides if the overall market sentiment is down, chances are decent. It's a bad time to buy long. Yeah, well, to me, it's a good time to buy long. I'm always bullish. Remember, I've always said that. I always believe in my stocks, right? I don't buy anything I don't think that's going to make money long term. If I forget my portfolio, go to sleep for 6 months, will I be up 10%? That's what this portfolio is built on. I could turn this off and forget about it. The main reason why I'm here, doing this, is to engage with you. I love learning from you and the community and going live every day, more than making money. So that's what this portfolio was built for. We are making all sorts of grounds now with Tesla. Absolutely fantastic. We're up again today. Absolutely awesome. Tesla's about to go through 800, you know. And the all-time high, 880. This is going to be 3,000 in 2 years, you know. There's a huge amount of opportunity here to grow. Apple stock's low. Everything's down today. It's a yucky day today. This is where you wish you had more and more money on hand. About Poor is just giving me record numbers of roses. I can't thank you enough. About Poor, thank you ever so much. About Poor is one of my serious traders. Where is the cash exactly? Where is the cash? Where is the money? You can see it. I've got it all here on view for you if you just come into YouTube. Yeah, I keep telling you. TikTok is for scrollers looking for naked dancers. If you're one of the 10% that want to trade, you come into the profile link here and click on YouTube. That's where we're trading, and be part of the main show. All right. I can't thank About Poor enough, giving me loads of tips. It's also blowing up the channel, which is great. Take it off. Yeah, I tell you what, I know I talk about it a lot, but TikTok has got a lot. We got a lot to thank TikTok for. It's grown 80% of our subscribers here to YouTube, because thousands, hundreds and thousands come through the TikTok platform. It's about 4,000 to 5,000 every morning come through TikTok, but 90%, as I said, are just looking for naked dancers, and well, I wouldn't even say dancers, just girls who wiggle their bums. But 10% come and join us, and it's really grown our channel. Put it on. Yeah, Kenneth, I know. Nothing's coming off here, right? I've got About Poor. You may have seen About Poor. He's on our channel here a lot on YouTube. Well, right now, let me show you. Look, this is him now, look, on TikTok. Can you see all the little flowers, all the little roses he keeps sending me? See? Do you have a VIP signal channel? We do have VIPs. Yes, there are day traders, and they are behind the YouTube link right here. Click on the profile, click on the YouTube link, and you can be part of our real show. All right. Right. Let's see. SPC ECM. Oh, look at that. Down nearly 3%. That's kicking my portfolio today. Is Ford still doing well? Ford's holding. Look at that. Absolutely great. Oh, look at Rolls-Royce. Dropped today. Down 1.52. Still up 47% though. No issue with that at all. Still up 47%. Not concerned with that. Builder is up, or moving up, but still down today. Robinhood has had a good day at 1%. What about Lucid? Ouch. Down 3.44%. You may have noticed, guys, but I seem to be losing my voice this morning. That's unusual. I'm very thankful for this. Harpoon Therapeutics. Can anyone tell me, does anybody know why this is doing this? Kenneth, John, Martin, not Martin. Martin's driving. Tesla released its full self-driving car today. Yes, I know. I've heard about that. Absolutely great. It's funny. The stock price is down. You know, the way the stock price works is sometimes quite surprising to me. You get great news and it drops. There you go. Meme traders in trouble. Let's have a look. This is interesting. What's Kenneth sent me here? And we got some news from John as well. Right, let's go over to this and discuss this. First of all, thank you very much, Kenneth. This is where I wish someone could call into the show because my voice is going. Let's bring. I don't know how much longer I can go on. I've nearly got no voice left. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at this. Okay. Right, we got a massive audience over there now on TikTok. If you want to be part of the main show, if you're the 90% that just looking for silly stuff, scroll on, keep on going. If you're the 10% that want to talk to traders, learn about money, watch what we're trading, see our real money, see our trading screens, see my actual bank account that I share with all of you, then click the profile, come into YouTube. The YouTube link's right there. All right, thank you very much. All right, US SEC charges individuals in meme stock options trading scheme. Ooh, look at this. This is people influencing the markets. This is probably through Reddit and Twitter and probably TikTok and YouTube and all that, what we talk about a lot. Right, let's have a read into this. Washington, New York. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission on Monday charged 2 individuals for a fraudulent trading scheme involving so-called meme stocks aimed at taking advantage of a surge in retail trading driven by social media in 2021. This is what I've been saying. This is exactly what I've been saying. With other YouTubers and people like that in my position, but with millions of subscribers, creating trends and nonsense and FUD. There's loads of it on TikTok, absolutely loads of it. And it's why I'm encouraging everyone to come off TikTok and come to YouTube, where I am right now, and discuss what we're doing, learning from each other. We're not hyping anything. And I'll make an absolute pledge to all of you. If this channel grows, which it will, it's growing. It's gaining about 20 subscribers a day, right? When we get to 1 million subscribers, I'm not going to come on here and say we should all buy Robinhood, and I've already placed my limit sell. And as you all buy it, I sell it. It's terrible. It's disgusting. This channel is about friendship and supporting each other, not about taking advantage of each other. If you want that, there's plenty of channels and TikTok that will offer that nonsense. Anyway, I'm glad they got caught. The securities regulator said it charged a Florida resident and his friend for allegedly using a form of market manipulation, there we go, called wash trading to collect rebate payments from exchanges as retail traders piled into meme stocks being actively promoted on social media. There we go. The SEC said Suyun Gu devised a scheme to illegally profit of so-called maker-taker pricing offered by exchanges in which resting orders that provide liquidity by executing against other orders receive a rebate payment by trading options contract with himself using various brokers. I tell you what, I couldn't even get into that. That sounds way too complicated for me. I just buy what I study and learn about and then leave it, and then if I sell on a day to make some money, that's fine, but 80%, as you know, is long-term investments. Absolutely awful that people feel that they can grow social media to rip people off, the very friends and people who gave them the family and the community, and then take advantage of it. It's ridiculous, absolutely blooming ridiculous. In addition to collecting those ill-gotten, thank you very much, rebates, The wash trading scheme allegedly impacted the market as it skewed the volume in certain option contracts and induced other traders to place trades in otherwise illiquid option contracts. Ridiculous. I'm going to keep that open because I'm going to look at that more later on. What's been going on in the chat? Right, let's go back to Harpoon Therapeutics because we've got some interesting news on it. Let's have a look. Bill says, I get women's sending with a warning right after stating, report any appropriate comment, suggestions and all rude remarks. What? What's that, Bill? And John has sent me something as well. So let me open that. Let me have a look at what John has sent into the show. There we go. Let's get the back of the studio for the minute. Let me just open up this interesting review here from John Brunette from Canada. If you've just joined us and didn't know that. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's go back to it. We've got a big army on, are you live on YouTube now? Yes, indeed. 90% of TikTokers just come through, just talk stupid and say silly things to me, and that's fine. But 10% of who we get on YouTube actually want to trade and actually want to share and see what I've actually got with my real money, so on and so forth. So if you're one of the 10% on TikTok right now, click the profile link right here. The YouTube link is right behind, and I am on YouTube. Very, very easy. You just click the profile link, and the YouTube link is right there. And I'm live right now. And if you can't find it, it literally is, I can't say it easier. Profile link, YouTube icon. It's right there. And I'm live right now. But if you can't find me, I'm the day trader, Martyn Lucas. And I'm live right now. And very, very easy. I had rice for my lunch and started. Wonderful. Oh, we got a bit of a joke here. I had rice for my lunch and started wheezing really badly. I think I'm asthmatic. Very, very funny. That's quite funny. I'll give you that one. Yeah, it's not showing up on YouTube. Yeah, it's not showing up on YouTube. How can I explain it any easier? Moon Boy, I'd love you to come in. No, I don't use leverage trading. Never believe in borrowing money. You just type. You click the profile. I mean, I get hundreds of people a day come in from TikTok. You click the profile link, then there's YouTube. Click on that, and you'll be right in. If that doesn't work for you for some reason, just go the day trader Martyn Lucas, Martyn, as it's spelt on here. The day trader Martyn Lucas, and there it is. I'd love you to come and meet the family. Right, Harpoon Therapeutics. Buma BioShares gain on City upgrade. Here we go. City analyst. Yigal upgraded Harpoon Therapeutics to buy from neutral with a 16 price target. 16 price target. Let's have a look. Ooh, very good. If it got to 16, let me have a look. If it got to 16, would I be in the green? Let me have a look. 1 year. I bought in. When did I buy in? I bought it at 13.16. Yeah, I'd make $3 a share, so I'd make 300. I'll be $300 up. So that's basically up $1,000. That'd be nice. From where I am now, be about just under $1,000. Let's hope that happens. So yeah, thank you very much for that report. Let me go back to it a minute. Have we just got someone coming to the live chat? That's new. Oh, hello, James McManus. Hello. Maritech is here. Yesterday was amazing. I'm back. Maritech loved it. There you go. One of our TikTokers found it. Thanks. Moonboy862. We're looking to see if Moonboy comes in. Maritech is one of our loyal followers now. and James McManus as well. Everybody welcome. Some of our regulars have not seen these new people. So just for the sake of it, guys, all my regulars and the new people, tell me what city and country you're from, because we've got a lot of our regular day traders. You can see a lot of the blue moderators are in the chat today. Right. So this is Harpoon Therapeutics. The analysis acknowledges that Amogen has a better PSMA targeted T-call engager based on the data so far, but believes Harpoon's current EV of only 90 minutes is too low given its multiple shots on goal with 4 TriTAP programs in clinical development. The stock is down 52%, mostly since June after the company released data from phase 1 out of 2A trial in prostate cancer. Puma Biotechnology Nasdaq also rose 10.8% after hours. Earlier, the company announced that Alan, Chairman, CEO, President and Founder of Puma, will provide company overview today at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. So that's now gone. That's why we got the bounce. Early in August. There we go. So it's been upgraded. They like an analyst likes it. So good. Finally, I thought there was something in it. I just got to wait, right? But good. Very good. I'm still down 33%, by the way. This is my position. So it's got a long way to go before I see any green in that. But nevertheless, let's see what happens. All right. Where did our friend, is it Bitboy or somebody was coming over? Maldives. Can you give me an answer about Paul? What's your question? About Paul, what's your question? You're giving me loads of roses. About Paul, come into YouTube. I can't see the comments. They're flying through too quick on TikTok. We've got too many people saying silly stuff, and I can't see your comments. About Paul, come on in, and also let me have a look. Moonboy as well. Moonboy, come on in. I can't see your question about Paul. All right. That's why the market is down today. Let's have a look. US government bond interest rate rose again, and major investors are moving a little from tech stocks to bonds. I don't like bonds. I find bonds boring. I don't get excited about bonds. Wouldn't buy bonds. Not interested in bonds. Lucid making a bit of a return today. Did you take any profits? No, I didn't. It's dropped back now, but it's starting to improve. No, I didn't. Because I'm down 2.4%. No. This is a long-term situation right now. It's hovering around my zero position. I'm down to 2.37, as you can see. But there we go. Got a big army of TikTokers right now. If you are one of the 90% on TikTok and you want to laugh and say silly stuff, then carry on. Keep scrolling. If you're one of the 10% that want to talk to serious traders and engage with us all here and see our trading screen, see my real money, see what's going on, and also allow me to give you something special as well, because I think we've got a little gift coming today, then come on in to YouTube. The link is right behind the profile. You click on that and you'll be right there in 3 seconds. Just the 10% of you. The rest of TikTok just like to say I've got a bald head and talk silly. Hey, don't speak ill of 007. What's that about? Hang on. Oh, very good. Bond is very, very funny. Yes, of course. Very, very funny. I like that, John. Oh, Kenneth, I apologise. My bank issues bonds that are linked to the market. My bank issues bonds that are linked to the markets, maximum 24% or something. Hey, don't speak ill of Hill of 007. Yeah, I just got it. I just got it. Yeah, that's very funny. It would have been funnier if you could spell ill. Let me tell you how you spell ill. It's ILL, just so you know. All right, Amplitude, okay? It hasn't gone public yet. This is a new IPO today. We're talking about Amplitude. What do you think about it? About Paul, I'm also here. There he is. About Paul's here. Right, everybody who hasn't smashed the like button, we've got lots more watching than have liked. Click the like button. Help me out, guys. We need to get more people into the chat, right? Click the like button. About Paul, I want everyone to smash the like button, but also I want everyone to thank, seriously, because we're a family, right? And we're trying to grow here. I want everyone to thank About Paul, because About Paul has been on TikTok for the last hour, right? Tapping the screen like crazy, giving me roses. Those roses are like little tips. But what it does, it blows up my channel, which is why we have a lot of people now watching on TikTok. So that's where we get our new audiences from. So About Paul, I love when people pop over to YouTube, TikTok, tap the screen to get people in. Now, you asked a question. What is the question? About Paul, what did you want to know? So thank you very much, About Paul. Welcome, About Paul. It's About Paul. Get his name right. What's going on? Where you from, About Paul? I know you've told me before. Okay, here we go. Sorry, my English is not... Hang on, where is it? Sorry, my English is not so well. I just ask you to follow us on TikTok and YouTube. Okay, right. Well, About Paul, if you would like to share your YouTube link, okay, I'm going to make you a temporary moderator. All right, just a temporary moderator. Just temporary, because I've got my moderators all taken care of. But here we go. I will add you to temporary moderator. Now, you can now post your YouTube link. All right? So, if you now put your YouTube link in the live chat, you can put your actual YouTube link in the live chat. You can also put your TikTok post. Don't share. Just follow us back. What do you mean, don't share? I'm asking, if you post your link, we can all subscribe to you. All right, that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to help you out. I'm giving you the opportunity to promote your TikTok and your YouTube channel in the live chat, About Paul. I've made you a moderator so you can post your link, so everybody here, if they want to, can click on your YouTube link. They don't have to. It's up to them, of course, but you've got the opportunity to promote it. That's all I'm doing. I'm helping you out. And I'm going to leave the moderator there for another few minutes. It's just a temporary opportunity for you to promote your link. If you want to do that, I want to help you out because you've been helping me out. Oh, look at my portfolio. Ugh, down 1%. Ooh, 47. Wow, down 2% today, everybody. Wow, look at that. Oh, everything's down. Johnson, oh, look at this. Oh, is this the correction everyone's been talking about? We're seeing a hell of a drop here. Hell of a drop. Look at this. Everything is tanking. Remember, you don't lose money unless you sell when you're down. So it doesn't bother me. I love how AT&T is going up despite everything else going. Wow, everything is going down. So there we go. Should we just end the show right now? Google down 3%. There we go. 5% on Virgin. Yeah, this is one of those days. This is absolutely, without a shadow of a doubt, a big drop now. Yeah, we're seeing losses coming everywhere. Is everyone noticing this? Is everyone seeing the losses now? Everywhere. It's popping up everywhere. Yeah, we've got a big sell-off here. Everything is down. If you have some money on hand now, blimmin' hell, you could buy some bargains, right? I haven't got any money on the side. This is why you always keep money on the side, but it's very difficult to do that because there we go. We are in one almighty drop now. I didn't want any advertising from you. I just want you to follow us on TikTok, that I can also write to you and continue to support you. Oh, I see. All right. You want me to follow you on TikTok? Okay. Where are you? He's asked me to follow him. I'm just trying to give you the link so you can promote yourself. Okay. So what do you want me to do? You want me to follow you on TikTok? All right, so if I go into about poor. Yeah, everything's crashing. Yeah, it's a day for nothing. Do nothing, guys. Don't sell, obviously. God, don't sell. That would be the worst thing to do. Just let it happen. Let it happen. If you've got money, buy the dips. If you've got money on hand today, you're going to get an absolute bargain, aren't you? Oh, yeah. There we go. Down she goes. Yep. I just sold off Ford. Did you? Yeah, I've got no money in it. Up 3%, up 2%. Yeah, I've done the same thing. I've just sold my Ford as well. Yep, I've just sold my Ford. I got all my money back. I managed to get to zero. Hi, boss. Day for dip shopping. Yes, indeed. Day for dip shopping. Ledvaza. About poor, I will follow you. Send me a message. Send me a message on TikTok and I will follow you then, okay? I'll do that. That's what you asked for. I will do that. More than happy. Okay, about poor. Very, very happy to follow you. Yes, thank you for that, John. I just did the same thing. I sold my position in Ford as well. Yep, there it is. I've got cash now. Yep, I sold my position in Ford. I've now got 1,400 to spend. So, if you have any questions about crypto and want an opinion from me, you can also ask me so we can both help your community. I am an independent opinion for you. Okay, I'm very deep in the topic of crypto. I always want and will support you, my friend. Well, thank you very much indeed. I will follow you and support you too. This is my Bitcoin position. I'm holding it. If anybody wants to know anything about crypto, about Paul from Germany is in der Haus. That was a terrible German accent, wasn't it? And he will answer any questions. VIXY is up 8%. Yeah, I can see that. Why that would be happening. Can't send you any messages if you don't follow me in TikTok. Okay. I can't find you though. Can't see you. That's the problem. Hang on. What are you called? About Paul. All right, have I followed you now? I'm following you in two places. I'm following you on my Martyn Lucas music channel, and I'm also finding you as well. I'm following you on the Day Trader, and I'm also going to follow you on my music channel. How about that? Because you've been very supportive of me, and I appreciate it. There you go. There you go. I followed you on my Martyn Lucas channel, and I followed you. Congratulations, by the way. About Port is a big friend to have, everybody. He has 171,000 followers, 3.1 million likes. We've got a big player in the house. About Port, I appreciate everything you've been doing for me. So we thank you very much indeed. And I've just followed you over there on TikTok. You've got a great channel, by the way. A lot of great content. Thank you very much for taking the time to support me. A really big TikToker. Lel Devaza said, my portfolio is singing on hurricane energy. Long hold. I share and like all of you. Well, that's very kind of you, About Paul. I like what you're doing. I'm very new on TikTok, as you know. Very, very new. And very, very small. And we're a brand new channel here on YouTube as well. So really do appreciate you supporting us, because you're a massive channel. So that's really, really kind of you. I think we've got a really unique audience here and a unique family, the way we do things. Really, really great. Do you have a YouTube channel at all? So everyone smash the like button, by the way. Lel Devaza, what is your portfolio? What is up to date for you? Because everything else is down for us. About Port is just one of my projects. I reach more than 10 million followers on social media, my friend. Yeah. Gonna pick up some Bitcoin, Ken. Yeah, Bitcoin. Wow, look at Bitcoin dropping, everybody. Well, it's very nice to meet you. If you've been on my music channel, you know that I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man. This is my TV studio, where we are right now. Have you seen any of my music? Do you know what I do? That's my main thing. And I'm really, really chuffed, guys. I don't know if any of my team realise, having About Paul in the house today, it's got 3 million likes. You know, it's now I see your follow. Great. But I'm really chuffed because you're very welcome. I'm really chuffed that we got such a big TikToker in the house. It's I think that's the first, supersized TikToker that supported our channel. So it's a really great day for us today. So I'm going to get a big thank you to About Paul. There you go. It's always about being nice to everyone. You never know who you're talking to. BCCU to in my case. Oh, He's just retracted that. Look at this today. Whoa, everything's falling off a cliff. Everything's down. It's a day to do nothing, I'm afraid. You could, if you wanted to, buy the dips. I hope my English is understandable. I would be happy if I could support you in the future. Yes, your English is fantastic. Very, very good. I wanted to show you this as you are here just for a moment. This is the Day Trader channel where we are right now. Okay? If you scroll down, this is my main channel. Still quite new. I was voted by Elton John as the World Piano Man. This is the Martyn Lucas channel. This is where I go live every day and do live concerts. And as you can see, this is what I do here. I'll just pick one for you and show you. And this is where I go live from my TV studio. With you. There you go. I'll never. This is what I do. This is my main thing. And I'd love you to be part of all this if you could. It's all brand new. I think I can maybe give you the German view of crypto. Please do. Please do. All right, let me go back to our portfolio. Red months for energy market, but on my 8,000 portfolio, I am down 10%. Ooh, okay. As you can see, everybody, we are dropping now across the whole board. It's a day-to-day to decide where you want to buy the dips. How low is it going to go? No one knows. But a day to decide. I mean, I've got 1,400 bucks here. Where am I going to put it? We're having a dip. What do you want to invest in most in? Look, you know, Facebook down 3%. I mean, where would you put your money right now, guys? Look at this. Rolls Royces, everything. I'm glad I sold out of Ford. Not so sure when I buy back in now. Harp might be good. Yeah, I'm down 32%. I certainly could correct that, couldn't I? Bitcoin. I've got enough in Bitcoin. Yeah, I certainly could. If I doubled my investment, I'd be down 15%, wouldn't I? All right. With that news there, I've done that. I bought some more Harpoon. So my losses now have dramatically dropped. I'm down 19% rather than 32. There we go. There we go. You could pick up VIXY. Yeah, it seems to do all right, doesn't it? VIXY goes up when all this happens. Still don't fully understand it though. How quickly short term it is. How quickly your money drops away. You invest and within 5 seconds it's gone. I can give you all the information about all the coins if you want to know something. I deal with crypto 15 hours a day for many years, or my assessment for the future. About Paul, would you like to call into the show? I actually do an interview screen. Look at this. I'm over here, and then my guest is here to the left, and people call in and ask questions, and we could do a Bitcoin special. If you're an expert on Bitcoin, you could call in. We could do that. That's another little thing if you fancy doing that, and you actually be live in the show. But yeah, I'd love to know any information you have on Bitcoin. I'm totally committed to Bitcoin. I'm in it. I'm not selling my position. I believe it will be 100,000 by the end of the year. VIX is a volatility indicator. VXY is a derivative of that. The reason it's up is that there's so much market volatility. It's kind of strange how that works, isn't it? How much have I got left in my portfolio? Buying power. See how quickly the money goes. How quickly the money goes. 561. So I've got 560. Well, 500. Let's say that. 500. I'm going to put it into Tesla. Done. Let's have a look. So everyone smash the like button. We've got new people coming in. We've got an army on TikTok. We're doing live trades here this morning. If you are 90% of the TikTokers that have come just to laugh and looking for a naked girl, you're in the wrong place. Keep scrolling. If, on the other hand, you are the 10% of TikTokers that want to talk to some of the biggest traders, we've got About Paul here from Germany, who has over 3 million likes on TikTok, a serious trader. He's in the live chat. You can ask live questions to him about Bitcoin. He's a Bitcoin expert. That's what he tells me. And looking at his TikTok followers and his account, it does seem to suggest that. If you would like to talk to About Paul or any of my traders, or see my real money or see my real trades, click the profile here. The YouTube link is right behind, and you can come in and talk to these top traders, see our trading screen, see our real money, and be a part of real trading. Okay? We'd love you to be part of it. Let's have a look. Let's read some of these comments. I've just bought some, I've got $61 left. There we go. Let's read some of these comments. I can give all the information about all coins if you want to know something. I'll deal with crypto. There we go. VX, you read that. How's it going, guys? Alex is in the house. Alex, welcome, welcome, welcome. What are you waiting for? This is your chance to get in on ARBK at an artificially lower price using the 1,000 you had set aside for the IPO. Let me have a look at it. Argo blockchain. What am I waiting for? It's not doing anything. It's not changed my position at all. It's trading sideways. It's doing what Argo blockchain has done for years on the OTC market. It's just trading sideways. I believe, like I said before, if Argo blockchain stood in front of Shark Tank or Dragon's Den in the UK and said, would you invest $1 million in our company? The first thing they would say is, what's your ISP? What do you do that everyone else doesn't do and what I can't do myself so I can compete with you? And their answer would be nothing. Anyone can set up a mining farm. And all they, if Elon Musk or Kevin O'Leary or Mark Cuban or anyone decided to build a bigger mining factory than Argo and might have a higher hash rate and and mine quicker, they would make them the money from Argo. Simple as that. Anyone can do it. I like Bitcoin. I like crypto. I like mining. It's good for them. They've got a good business. It's clean, it's great, it's efficient, it's modern, it's brilliant. It's making money for them. But as an investor, it's not making me any money. You see what I'm saying? And if anyone wanted to beat them and be better than them, they could. Anyone, because it's not a brand you're buying. You're buying someone who mines Bitcoin. Anyone can mine Bitcoin. I could mine Bitcoin and spend $1 million and whatever, and have a bigger farm and whatever. Maybe more than $1 million, of course, but you understand what I'm saying. They don't have anything proprietary. So, as we've seen, people get fear of missing out. People buy Bitcoin because they don't understand it, and they lose their money. I buy it because I do understand it, and that's why I'm not selling. And that's the same people that bought Argo blockchain. It's good for them. Is it good for an investor? I don't know. I've just used my money to buy other things that I think have a greater growth. It's not about, is Argo blockchain a good company? Yes, it is. But is my money going to grow faster with someone else? And I believe it is. That's why I've not invested in it. If it dropped to 13, 12, I might have a go at it. But at 16, 15, no. It's been trading sideways for years, and it's doing exactly the same. And if you look at it now, it popped on the day and it's just dropped back, and it's got, and there's no volume on it. There's no institutions investing in it. It's people who think Bitcoin's great and think it's great to own a mine. Set up your own mine. If you've got $1,000, set up your own mine and keep all the profits. That's what I think. However, I'm currently on holiday in Bali. As soon as I'm back, I'm happy to do that. Great. We're going to have About Paul, ladies and gentlemen. About Paul has nearly 200,000 followers on TikTok and has been investing in Bitcoin for many, many years. So I invited About Paul to be a guest from Germany, live on the show, live interview, talking about Bitcoin. Special guest, huge online presence. And About Paul, I'm going to give you in the live chat my email. Please send me an email so we can keep in touch and we can set up that interview. And you can do it live on the show. Martyn@martynlucas.com. There is my email. Please send me an email. Nice. I travel a lot around the world and work from vacation. I am in the field of e-commerce, so my workplace is all over the world. I get it. As the world piano man, I've visited 195 countries, so I know exactly where you're coming from. I would buy Bixby today. That's what Martin says. I am very happy to answer any question from your community. I can only be that I need a day to answer. It can only be that I need a day to answer. It's up 2,000% in a year. What are you talking about? It's up 2,000% in a year. I'm going to check my figures on that because that's not what I was seeing. Wait to buy VIXY. Sideways, haha. Well, it is sideways. Look at it. We're looking at it. We're looking at it on the screen. It's trading sideways. Why are you telling me it's not? Through my experience, I can also give new investors a crypto very good recommendations from people who can trust social media. Thank you. I buy it below 21. It's a proxy investment with more upside than Bitcoin right now. It's held on the company books. Martin, also, have you seen Rolls-Royce have announced the new EV today? Rolls-Royce have announced the new EV today. Yeah, but remember, Rolls-Royce that we're investing in here is Rolls-Royce the engines that service planes, not Rolls-Royce the cars. Different company. Different company. This is Rolls-Royce who service engines and so on and so forth. All right, you can see the information there on the screen. Rolls-Royce Holdings manufactures and services integrated power systems for use in the air, on land, and at sea. this company in civil aerospace, power systems and defense. This has nothing to do with Rolls-Royce cars. So just make sure that you're all aware of that. There are many institutions invested in it. DD is important, guys. You have Twitter? Yes, I do. Do I have Twitter? Yes, I do. Let me give it to you. Here is my day trader Twitter account. There we go. And I'll also give you the Martyn Lucas one, the main one. So the Martyn Lucas channel. If anybody would like to follow me on Twitter, there are my 2 accounts. I got the day trader and I've got Martyn Lucas, the main one. Going back to Argo blockchain. Yeah, still trading sideways. I'm not sure what Jay's saying to me. Quarters and years, not days and weeks. Depend on the trading style you're using. You grabbed a few shares of Heart. Yes. Yes, I did the same thing. Check the LSE listing. ARB, it was a penny a year or 2 ago. All right, I'll have a look. I also thought it was the same, Alex. BTC moving up. I don't think anyone thinks it's the aerospace portion. I don't think anyone thinks it's the aerospace portion. It rarely happens, yeah. Yeah, I mean, Jay, I appreciate your enthusiasm for it. I'm assuming you're an investor in it. But like I said before, you need to answer that question. If you could tell me that, I'll invest in it right now. What does Argo blockchain do that anyone with money can't do? Right, think about it, right? If you own Tesla or Amazon, you have a brand, specific company, you invest in a specific company that has specific things and that is a brand and stands out by itself. You choose it, you choose an Apple phone over an Android or whatever. Argo blockchain just mines coin, right? And I'm in Bitcoin. Look, I'm totally in. I've mined myself. I get it. I own Bitcoin, $8,000 nearly. We've dropped a lot today. But, I totally get it. But anyone, if Elon Musk woke up tomorrow morning and says, I'm gonna wipe the floor with Argo blockchain, they'd be out of business. He could just build the biggest mining farm, all covered in solar panels, run for free. I think Argo will be bought out. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if Elon Musk buys it. Which, of course, could then benefit the shares. Argo is stagnant for me to invest in. Yeah, it is. And see, this is exactly what I'm talking about with manipulating the market is a strong word here to use. But if you believe in something like Jay does, obviously, he believes in it. He would love us all to invest in it. Because if we all invest in it, the price will go up, right? Right? Strong word to use, market manipulation. But don't look at the emotion of it. Don't look at, I love Bitcoin, I love mining, so this is going to be great. It's great for the company. Is it great for an investor? Is my money going to grow quicker here as opposed to somewhere else? Now, I just spent $1,000 with Tesla. Is Tesla going to return a bigger profit quicker than Argo blockchain is? Is Amazon going to do that? Is, Virgin Galactic going to do that? I mean, I can go on all day long. Is Lucid going to do that? And all these kind of things. And if the answer is yes, then I need to invest in that, right? They successfully mine Bitcoin monthly with a margin of 80%, and they do it with the climate I know, I love that. It's brilliant, and I'm all about I mean, God, you all know I've got solar panels on my house in England. You know I'm all about the environment. It's why I invest in solar and wind and all that stuff. Musk would send a robot army to the moon to build the servers to mine Bitcoin. Yeah, the data centers are in my home province, all powered by our clean hydropower. I picked up 500 shares at 227, and it crashed immediately when the US IPO popped. So sad. Yeah. So, you know, where is the chart that Jay wanted us to look at? Jay said, go and look at this one. See, I looked at it. ARB, right? ARB. This is what he's saying look at. So let's go and look at it. ARB. On the month. ARB. Let's see. You see what I mean? It popped. Look at it. So this doesn't make sense. What Jay's saying. Look, it popped here in 2021, and then it's just trading sideways because there was nothing going on all this time. Years and years, like three, I don't know, 3 years. Let's go maximum. Let's go fully outright. Nothing here for ages. Then it popped, dropped all the way back, and then just trading sideways. See, this is what I'm talking about. I'm not interested in this. I'm not interested in this rise. Not interested in this at all. This is when Bitcoin started to increase, but then it just traded sideways. So. There you go. I don't see it doing anything right now. Check your email. Oh, Nigel Danielle. There you go. Fantastic. I've got it. I've got your email, Nigel Danielle. Thank you much indeed. Look at all of the fiscal annual numbers and the smart growth strategy. CEO is in the pockets of MicroStrategy. CEO Michael, I know Michael Saylor. Yep. There were rumors Musk was actually interested in them too. Yep. Kenneth. And the stock not moving for a while in the beginning isn't bad. No, I get that. No one's addressing what I'm saying, though. If no one's answering the one question that I have, and I would love your opinion on it. Tell me, what are they doing that anyone else can't do? The reason why Tesla is so popular, Amazon is so popular, I'm just picking that. Lucid is now doing well because it's producing something that no one else is doing, and it's unique. It's their own brand, their own identity. There's a reason to invest in it. Argo blockchain isn't. And to be fair, since it IPO'd, it popped, dropped back, and trading sideways. I mean, 2,000% in a year, and they've only just listed on the American exchange, on the NASDAQ. Kenneth, what do you think? Now, Kenneth is our expert, like technical analysis, right? I go on what I believe is the future. I go on what I believe will happen and how I feel the market's changing and what people are going to do. I sense it and I study the actual industry, the business, whereas Kenneth is more charts, patterns, technical analysis. What's your opinion on Argo blockchain? What do you think? Is it an investment right now? What do you think? So I'm hoping now that Kenneth will have a look on his screen, his charts, and see what he feels. Jay is obviously very passionate about it. He believes in it, obviously. I have seen some really good companies get tossed around by the general market conditions. Blockchains get hit twice. Once from Bitcoin fluctuations, obviously, and then the market too. Right? Well, that makes perfect sense. Jay says, your argument is invalid and could be used to negate the success of any company. Throw money at anything doesn't mean you will succeed. Look at the board members and the invested start. Hang on. Hang on a minute. Throw money at any other market, I agree, would mean you don't. I agree with that, but not Bitcoin mining. Bitcoin mining, it doesn't matter who mines it. It doesn't matter. You're on your own. You're not trying to sell anything to anyone. That's where I think Jay's wrong, right? If I create the best car in the world and no one wants to buy it because they don't like me or they don't like the way the car looks, they don't buy it. All right? And I've got the best car in the world, but no one buys it, right? You're mining Bitcoin. No one buys from you. You just mine the Bitcoin. That's it. So the more money you throw at it, the more mining machines they set up, the higher their hash rate. The competition is whoever's got the most money. It's got nothing to do with the brand, marketing, nothing at all. So can anyone answer that? Because Jay doesn't agree with me. He says your argument is invalid and could be used to negate success of any company. Throw money at anything doesn't mean you will succeed. If you throw money at Bitcoin mining, it does. 100%. If I bought every single Bitcoin machine in the world and set up an efficient mining, solar panels, wind, I'd beat everyone. Efficiency in mining is what it comes down to. Absolutely. And that's money. Simple as that. There are so many uses for blockchain. That's why I don't like blockchains for what it is, though. It seems like a great one to go with if you want to get into blockchain. Limitless possibilities, even if BTC disappeared. Yes, it is. But it's good for them. It's not good for an investor. How many times have we watched Shark Tank and a great business for the owner of the business has stood in front of the sharks and they say, I'm not investing in this because I could do it myself better than you. If I decide to do what you're doing, I can do it better than you. I've got more money than you. And that is this. It's as simple as that. It just requires the richest man in the world, Elon Musk and Bezos, to say, we're creating the biggest Bitcoin cryptocurrency market farming in the world, and they win. That's it. It's not clever. It's not you've come up with a new innovative idea that no one else can do. You've just got more machines. You've got a higher hash rate than anyone else. C, Tesla doesn't make money on sales. What they do sell is carbon credits. That company could also do the same as a stable residual income. Absolutely. Tesla is an example of a brand. People love the brand. The price is higher than the value of the share, right? But people love the brand. They love Elon Musk. They love they love what he's doing. They love the cars. You know, he has come up with an image, a brand. That's why when when Elon Musk tweets, it affects the market. You know, if the CEO of Argo Blockchain came on and tweeted, no one would care less. It doesn't have a brand. It doesn't have any identity. I don't care how big it is. Until it's owned by a celebrity or it does something that no one else can do. If something they could do with Bitcoin, they could mine it exclusively. then the shares would go up. Anyway, We're still seeing the market drop. As you can see, everything is down. This is a great time to reassess, though, right? And everything pick up from this point. Yeah. Wow, bargains to be had everywhere. All my top 10 are down. Everything. SPCE very low now. Nearly 23.73. If you're interested in finding the answer to those questions, you should do a deep dive into their business and see for yourself. I'll just keep buying the dips, as the big money funds and institutions currently are too. Well, where's the evidence of that? Where's the evidence of that? Let me have a look. Let me go. You're saying institutions and big money is buying Argo. Okay? That's what you're telling me. So if I go on to Argo blockchain right now, and I look at, right, there we go. See, I have to disagree. Right. If institutions are buying into Argo blockchain, where's the volume? There's no volume. Look, it's tanking. Look, 401,000 today's volume. No institutions are buying Argo. It's falling off a cliff. It's not the time to invest in Argo blockchain. I said it from the beginning. Institutions can buy behind the scenes. They can buy behind the scenes, but there's no volume, is there? Check Fintel. Send me a link and I'll look at it. But I'm only interested in what I believe the future is. And I've always said Argo blockchain could be a good investment at a lower price. I've said it. I'll keep saying it. And, at the end of the day, I will block. I will provide links. I will block. I will provide. Please do. Please, Jay. At the end of the day, I would invest in Argo blockchain if I had the reason to do so. I would have the reason to do. I've got one share, as you can all see. I've got one share sitting there. I will provide links. Thank you very much. I will research it. Block is a big one. Oh, I see. Block is a big one. Okay. Send me that. LOL, one share. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, the reason why I have one share, sometimes I like to put a marker down. It shows me what's going on. I have Robinhood. I have Robinhood one share. Do you have one share Robinhood? It's a way to watch the market, right? It's a way to learn, see how it's moving, see what's going on. I hate Robinhood. So jealous of the no fees. Yeah, I know. Haven't even looked at it yet. Okay, so we're now discussing with Jay, right? Has everyone smashed the like button? We're going to do some deep diving now. Jay has asked me to do it. Courtesy from Kenneth. Kenneth has posted a link here. So we're going to bring up this link. Here we go. This is the Argo institutional ownership. Okay. Right. Maybe Kenneth would like to talk us through this. Let me bring it in. Jay said to have a look at this. Right, institutional ownerships. Argo Group has 420 institutional owners and shareholders, aka shareholding pattern, that have filed 13 DG or 13F forms with the Securities Exchange Commission. These institutes hold a total of 40 million shares. Largest shareholders include Vos Capital Management LLC, Vanguard. Who else? We've got BlackRock, Dimensional Fund, Chaplin Investments, Capital Management, blah, 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 blah. Westwood Holdings, Vanguard. I like Vanguard, by the way. Scroll down to 13F. Scroll down to 13F. Okay. Hang on. It's partly not on the screen. Let me zoom out. There we go. Okay. Details of 13F filings are free. There we go. These are the companies, the institutions that have invested in Argo blockchain. And if Kenneth would like to call in, remember, you can call in. You don't have to be on camera. You could just talk and say what we're looking at on the screen. You could do that. Scroll down to 13F. So there we go. I was asked to do this by Jay. These are the institutions that have invested in Argo blockchain. All right, I'm sharing it with everybody. You wanted to know the institutions? They aren't all buys. Green bars are new positions. Red are closed. Scroll down. Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, I see. This is what I expect Michael Saylor will publicly announce an investment too. See, you talk about Michael Saylor. Ask yourself, why wouldn't Michael Saylor do it himself? Why wouldn't Michael Saylor do it himself? Why does he need to invest in a company that mines when he can do it himself? And he's got more money than they have. So he could do it himself, couldn't he? He could mine his own Bitcoin for MicroStrategies. And we all know Michael Saylor is one of the biggest players in Bitcoin. We all know that. I followed him all the way through. But so Kenneth's saying the ones that have invested are the green, highlighted in green. Because it's a pain in the arse to build one. Get out of it. It's a pain in the arse to build one. No, it isn't. No, it isn't at all. You get a big warehouse, you put solar panels on the roof, hydropower to power it, wind turbines, and so on and so forth, and a load of graphics cards and a load of computers. It's not a pain in the ass. He joked about a 500 million investment. You could build it yourself. I got some more emails from Daniel. Team Day Trader, is this okay? Thank you very much for your emails, mate. I got your email. Thank you very much. I like that. Is something funny that about Paul Daniel just sent me. This is quite funny, right? I can't read it all out because there's a swear word, but it's very, very funny. Success is like being pregnant. Everyone says congratulations, but nobody knows how many times you were you could put it the rest together. That's quite funny. I like that. Success is like being pregnant. Everyone says congratulations, but nobody knows how many times you were FUs, right? Okay, you can fill out the blanks. But thank you very much for the emails about Paul. Very much indeed. They did a conference together a few weeks back. Peter Wall was one on the panel of the ESG Bitcoin Committee YouTube broadcast. That's why the government contracts out. He joked about a $500 million investment. Yes, it is. It's not as simple as you make. Well, of course, it's not as simple as I'm saying it is. It's not simple to build electric cars. It's not simple to go into space. But Tesla do it. I'm not saying it's easy for me, but I'm absolute. Are you telling me that Elon Musk couldn't get his technical guys tomorrow to build a Bitcoin farm? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I can set up a Bitcoin mine farm in my house. Just do it 1,000 times bigger, right? No, I do not buy that argument that it's not easy. It's easy for Michael Saylor. It's easy for Elon Musk. It's easy for any Jeff Bezos. Of course it is. It's hard to. It's also hard to be as profitable without the A team they have. Why? Why is it profitable to be without the A team? It's all about. There's only two things that count to mine cryptocurrency. Two things. More machines than anybody else's, so your hash rate's higher. So you just buy all the latest equipment and more of it. And you've invested in a completely renewable free power source, because that's what it's all about. If you can park yourself next to a desert with loads of solar panels and your electric's free, you win. It's only about them. It's only about the money. I don't see. You could put the Queen on the board. It doesn't matter. The computers do the work. You just give it the money. That's it, and decide to be efficient. That's it. Just because you can build a raft doesn't mean you can build a battleship. What most people do is build a dinghy. They're building aircraft carriers. Why would he do that when he can simply invest in Argo? Well, for the reason I gave when I've watched every episode of Shark Tank, and every time they have a business that every one of the sharks can do, they say no, because I can do it myself. People have come online and have come on in the Shark Tank and said, I have an internet business and this is what I do, and I want $1 million, please. And the guy goes, well, I can do the exact same as what you're doing. I just got to set up the same website. Your thoughts about cryptograph. Cryptograph, what do you mean? They're already doing better than the rest. They are. Can he? Sure. The cost is going to be quite high, though. You need to do some more research, my friend. Few understand. No, I do. I do understand. Look, I've invested in Bitcoin, for God's sake. I love cryptocurrency. It's the future. I get it. If you could convince me, right? You'll convince everyone else, because this is a small channel, but we're growing like 20 subscribers a day now, right? Brand new channel, only 9 weeks old, right? We're growing, right? And I obviously feel the same as many other people, because if I didn't, the price would have gone up, but it's not. It's going down. All right? You think buying the latest equipment would be easy. It's not. You can easily tell your community, no matter what cryptocurrency you want information about, I can find out inside information and give you my honest opinion. Thank you about Paul. Well, tell us where you feel that, in your opinion, where you feel Bitcoin is going. Tell us what you feel about Bitcoin. Where's it going? And while we're talking about it, we're watching Bitcoin down today. Let's look at Argo. And it's just going down and down and down. Down nearly 4% today. If we look at it on the week, it just popped on the IPO and traded sideways. I don't have to convince anyone. No, you don't have to convince anyone. Of course you don't. But I'd like you to convince me. I would like you to convince me because I don't want to miss any opportunities. They have official contracts with the best manufacturers. See, now if I've got $1 billion and I go to, I'm just picking a company, Sony, I don't know, whoever makes graphic cards, whoever makes the mining equipment, and say I want to buy $1 billion worth of mining equipment. They're going to go, no, we don't want your money because we've already got a contract with someone else. I mean, it's possible. I don't see it. Why have Amazon not seen any competitors then? I don't want to have to convince anyone. Why have Amazon not seen any competitors? Lots of people have competed with Amazon, but Amazon are the biggest, and they're not going to give up their position for anyone. That's why, and they have a unique brand. It's a completely different thing. You know, people love Amazon. People don't care where the Bitcoin comes from. People couldn't care less. As long as the value of Bitcoin goes up, I don't care who mines it. I don't care. Couldn't care less. Does anyone care where Bitcoin comes from? From an environmental standpoint, I care, but that just drives the price. I don't really care which company makes it first. I couldn't care less. Jay, I'll make you, hang on. There you go. I will let you post some links. There you go. You can now post. All right. The miners hold the Bitcoin on their balance sheets. They do, and I would imagine that's going to benefit the company, right? Because when Bitcoin goes to 100,000, which I believe it will by the end of this year, then of course the value of Argo blockchain will go up. Makes sense, right? I get that. Absolutely, I get that. If you believe in Bitcoin going up, then Argo blockchain will go up. But my argument would be just invest in Bitcoin. Just invest in the end product. It's the same thing, isn't it? It's the same thing. If you invest in the balance sheet of Argo, and that being, let's just say Bitcoin, then the other thing is, if you believe in Bitcoin like I do, I've got like 20% of my portfolio in Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin's going to go up, so just buy the end product. If on the other hand, you invest in Argo blockchain isn't just Bitcoin, it's other cryptocurrency, and I don't think all cryptocurrency is going to go up. I would assume a lot of it will disappear. When all the fad dies down, a lot of the dinky donks and the donkey dinks and the Doge coins and all the meme stocks and all the meme coins and all the rest of it, those values could drop. So I think some of Argo's assets could drop if they're mining other stuff. Let's have a look. I have, Kenneth says, where is it? I have a friend who is very well hooked up in the tech industry, and he has been trying to get a particular card, and he only wants one, and he's been hunting now for a year. Still no joy. Oh, no, there's a lot of, there's a real demand problem to get hold of the graphic cards. Totally get that. But, you know, he's one guy with $20 in his pocket, right? Whereas a big company with $1 billion is going to control the market. But again, if someone has 2 billion, they'll control the market. The miners hold the Bitcoin on their balance sheets. Okay, we've got some links here now. I don't think it will go to 100,000 anymore. Not since China bailed. I think I don't see that as really affecting Bitcoin. China are sidelining themselves, and they're going to lose out. I don't think Bitcoin will lose out. We don't need China. I don't think we have to worry about what China's doing at all. Right. They mine 95% Bitcoin and 5% Zcash. Thank you for that. That's very interesting. I'm glad to hear it's 95% Bitcoin, by the way. That's a positive. There's a tick in the old box. Right. Let me have a look. Argo blockchain. Right. Open a new tab. Here we go. Let me share with you what our friend Jay is sending us. I like this conversation, by the way. Right, here we go. Now, we've got a number of people, got quite a big army over there on TikTok watching away. And 90% of you are just scrolling through, not interested, looking for naked ladies and stuff like that. Well, that's not what I do, right? We're having a really great conversation today with some very passionate investors, very informed, knowledgeable traders today here in the show. Now, if you want to talk to those people, see those comments, see the news that we are sharing, I strongly recommend, if you're a serious trader, and only 10% of you on TikTok are, click the profile link just here, and you will find my YouTube link. Hit the YouTube link and come in and join us. If you're the 90% who just want to like scroll through, carry on scrolling. But we do have an art. We have thousands have come through. Over 5,000 today have come through my TikTok channel. But that isn't the place to talk to my team. And we've got some great people here. So come on in, click the profile link here, click on the YouTube link, and come into YouTube. And then you can talk to the traders. From where a beginner should start, we can explain that to you. Could it possibly be legit? What can't possibly be legit? We're a YouTube channel. I want nothing from you. I don't sell you anything. I give it all for free. I don't get any money from these videos. I share with you my bank account. I share with you what's in my portfolio. I introduce you to some great traders who are chatting live in the chat. We are showing you live information. It's just there. Help yourself. If you just want to scroll through, that's fine. Keep on going. But if you want to be a real trader and talk to real traders with a lot of experience, just click the profile, click the YouTube link, and you can be part of it. Right. This was the first information that JK sent us. Saylor, Michael Saylor. I love Michael Saylor, by the way. I'm a big fan. Michael Saylor. Right, let's have a look. MicroStrategy's famous CEO Michael Saylor recently had a conversation with the Argo blockchain team hosted on Twitter Spaces. CEO Peter Wall and VP of Operations Sebastian, I can't pronounce that name, discussed the ongoing transition of Bitcoin mining from China to the rest of the world, the underlying economies of mining digital assets, and the future of the industry. Here are a few key takeaways from that conversation. Regulating Bitcoin. The Twitter Space call was held on August the 3rd, shortly after Gary Gensler, chair of the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, delivered remarks before the Aspen Security Forum that were appreciative of blockchain technology. Okay. I know all about that. Happy with that. The business of mining Bitcoin. All right, let's read this. When asked about the Treasury Reserve strategy, Chaldus, I apologize if I've mispronounced the name, explained that Argo blockchain followed a counter-cyclical opportunist strategy over the years. Blockchain companies that took a contrarian approach to capital investments had better performance, he claimed, which is why Argo Blockchain attempts to work against the market consensus, not just while accumulating reserves, but also while purchasing equipment. Bitcoin's greener future. Yes, we know all about that. Let me bring up the next thing he posted. NASDAQ. Let's have a look at this. Open link in a new tab. I'm doing it again. I'm reading out comments. I don't know why. Email to Bitcoin is out. Thank you very much indeed. Getting a lot of information now coming through from all of you. If you could smash the like button. If you're watching on the replay, click subscribe and ring the bell. We're live here every morning and every evening for the opening and closing. I can't find the link. It's easy as anything. It's can't see the link you mean. Okay, you click on the profile right here. All right, you click on the profile, and then you click on my icon. All right, so you click on the profile, click on my icon again on my profile page, and there is the YouTube link. I'm going to share it with you on the screen because some of you are saying you can't see it. Look, right? Can I zoom in there? There you go. Get to my profile. There it is, right there. See that there? There is the YouTube link. Okay? This is what you are seeing. I don't know why. People say they can't see it. I don't know. But anyway. So, there I am live right now. Okay? Click on the profile up there. There's the profile. And then you click on the profile again. See? Look, click on the profile here. And there's the link. Just click the profile twice. Okay? And then we can have a discussion with you with some great Bitcoin guys and ladies here in the chat. Bitcoin will go to the moon when SEC will approve Bitcoin ETF. I believe that. That's why I'm not selling any of my Bitcoin. That's why I believe it would be 100,000. I can't find the link. There it is. I've posted it. It's there. It just takes you 3 seconds. All right. Okay. We've got another great bit of information here from JK. Let me bring it in. Elon Musk and Michael Saylor join forces on Bitcoin Mining Council. Let's have a look at this. Attempting to address some of the common criticisms on the Bitcoin market, CEO Michael Saylor and Elon Musk recently organized a meeting of North America Bitcoin mining firms to coordinate use of renewable energy and transparency in the business worldwide. Saylor and CEO of software intelligence firm MicroStrategy and public advocate for, let me just get rid of that. Why is that sticking there? That's annoying. Anyway, although Saylor has clearly had a significant role in organising this group, claiming its announcement tweet that he hosted an initial meeting, the significant clout of Elon Musk's presence in this operation will likely play an important role moving forward as well. Musk, considered by several current metrics to be the world's richest man, has had a tumultuous and notable history with Bitcoin. Although he has been casual support of digital currency for years now, it was only this year that he jumped on the forefront of the entire conversation of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. All right. So is he making friends with Argo Blockchain? The honeymoon period was not to last forever. However, Musk spoke again on the public subject in May, claiming it. Let me scroll through. Musk's prominent position in mining. Okay, I need to read this more off air. In case you missed it, too many factors were involved in Bitcoin world for more approval to moon it. Yeah, everyone uses that phrase a lot, don't they? Everyone uses that phrase a lot, to the moon. I don't like using it. It's a bit over dramatic, but I get it. Jay, is there anything I've missed? Chris, why does China exit mean what? Oh, Chris, did you come over from TikTok? We've got a new person here. Exactly. During the Spaces call, he asked Peter Wall what he would do with a direct investment from him of 500 million. Okay. That's very interesting. I'm warming up to the idea. Yes. Well, everybody, we've got a new member to the party. Chris, give us a thumbs up. The thumbs up help YouTube push this video to more people, so we can get more top traders and more people in the chat. Give us a thumbs up. Right now, you're here, Chris. If everyone could introduce... Oh, Scott is here as well. We've got some new members. For someone new, what's the best way to buy Bitcoin, or is mining better? You can listen to it. It's recorded. I'm going to have a listen. I am. Right. Right now, we've got some new people come in. So let me just qualify what we do here very quickly. First of all, if the new people that have just come in would tell us what city and country you're from, and everybody of my regular team would come in and let us know where you're from to remind our new people. Let's get everybody talking to each other, right? And I want to introduce you today to a couple of new people. JK is very passionate about Argo blockchain. He's an investor in it. Very worth sending great information for us all to learn. About Paul has nearly 200,000 followers, near 250,000 followers on TikTok, a big social media giant here in the crypto space from Germany. Oh, Chris is from Germany as well. Alicia and Patricia from Italy. They are our ladies from Italy. Scott is from Johannesburg. And we got a great team. If everyone would thumbs up the video, we're at 9 weeks old this week. And we have grown from 0 to 1,500 subscribers in that time. And what we've created this community for is to be unique to other YouTubers. A bit of background on me. I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man. That's what I do. This is my personal savings I'm investing. This is my TV studio. All right. And every day live from my TV studio, I do live concerts in the evening with a global audience, and I sing music and requests and so on. And what I'm actually doing here is investing my savings. And what we do is we don't influence the market. We don't sell you anything. We don't do anything other than open, honest sharing. This is my real life savings. This is my real portfolio. This is my Robinhood account. And I'm sharing it with everybody here. And we learn from each other. And everything I have made here today that I've grown since I started this portfolio back here on May 15th is from learning from you guys. And everything I've done here is because of you. And we learn from each other. And that's what we do. And we support each other. We encourage each other. And that's what it's all about. So if you like a community like that, where you want to grow your wealth in a calm, open, honest forum like this, that's the place to be. Subscribe and ring the bell. And we've been now online for 2 hours and 20 minutes, live show. It's an extended show today. Because I wanted to keep my eye on Argo and other things. The market has dropped enormously today, so we're doing we're down 7% now on Argo. This is a cool channel. I will have a look at all you do. I would like to understand what pro investors think of China getting out of Bitcoin. Well, I don't think it makes a damn bit of difference. China like to control everything, and that's the very opposite of what Bitcoin is about. But of course, Bitcoin is going to get regulated, and that's a good thing because investors will buy in. It needs regulation. It can't just be all over the place. I get it. But China don't like anything that they can't have total control over. So I don't care that China have left the market. This is my Bitcoin position. I have 16% of my portfolio. I did have $10,000 in it, but it's dropped all the way down. I'm still up 23%. This is my real money, my real situation. I'm not selling anything. I bought it on Robinhood, which I think is the best way to buy Bitcoin because there are no charts. It's the cheapest way. Everyone's going to shout at me on. TikTok, but that's fine. They're going to go, but he hasn't got a wallet. First of all, I don't care about a wallet because I'm just investing it. It's just an asset for me. But secondly, Robinhood is bringing a wallet, and there is my Ledger wallet ready to put it on once they give me my wallet. Just for security. That's really all it is. I'm just holding it as an asset, period. Simple as that. And, this is my life savings, and I've got 16% of my life savings in Bitcoin. So, I guess I believe in it, right? But the thing is, what you have to do is understand the market and understand what you're investing in. When I first came into this, I was buying on emotion, fear of missing out, and I lost a bit of money. Not much, but then I stopped and thought, this is no good. I'm just following everybody else. I don't know what I'm doing. So now what I do is I look at where I see the world going. Where do I see the world going? Amplitude hasn't declared yet. Look, still waiting for it to declare. It's IPO day today for Amplitude. But so there you go. Great opportunity today to buy your staples like Amazon, Johnson & Johnson, Tesla. Everything is down today. I never use Robinhood because it's because of the missed wallet. Interesting, you say they will have one. Yes, I've just done a video on it. The wallets are coming out now. They're releasing it now. It's imminent. They've already announced it. So I'm going to share this with everybody, right? You can help me to help you. Remember, I want nothing from anyone. Nothing. I don't ask any money from anyone, okay? All I ask is you enjoy the show, right? If you're from the US, only the US, this is for you. There is my referral link to Robinhood. If you get Robinhood, you'll get a free stock. It's free money. You can sell it. I've done it. Loads of people have done it for me. I get a free stock. You get a free stock. I'll tell you what I've got. It's free money, right? And I use Robinhood. I love it. And there are some very big investors that do. I'd like everyone to meet one of our star players today. About Paul. It's from Germany. He's got nearly 250,000 followers on TikTok. He's a Bitcoin expert, and he's live in the chat for us today. So if you want to ask him any questions at all about Bitcoin, just got an email from About Paul, by the way. A great idea for the crypto space would be a joint group in Telegram. What are you saying? I've never used Telegram. I see a lot of people do. I'll look into it. I haven't got it right now. I need to look into it. This is About Paul's opinion about Bitcoin. He just posted this for us all to read. And I can actually share this on the screen with you because it doesn't give away his email. Here we go. Let me bring it up for you now. Okay. This is the email I just got from About Paul. In my opinion, Bitcoin will get a big slump in the next 15 days. I agree with that. I think that we've got another couple of weeks to go, and then by the end of the year, it's going to rise. In my opinion, let me carry on reading this. Although many influencers claim the opposite, I think Bitcoin will fall to at least 37,000. In the worst case, even deeper, according to my calculation. Many indicators speak in favor of this. I just want to jump in at this point and say, and this is important, I hate the word influencer. Because influencer, in my opinion, is horrible, corrupt. It's profiteering from you watching my channel. I am not an influencer. I am a guy investing my real money. What I am is the world piano man. Elton John said it. That's what I am. I'm a very successful entertainer. This is my savings, and I'm investing it. I'm learning from all of you. Everything I'm doing is because of you. I am the opposite of influencer. I am just a person bringing all the community together so we all learn from each other. All right? And he's absolutely right. There are influencers online telling everybody what they should do. BitBoy, George, the list goes on and on and on, because they are trying to drive up the price of whatever they've invested in by telling you it's now the right time to buy in. That's a terrible thing to do. It's very selfish. It's very egotistical. It's very, look at me, I'm an expert. I'm not an expert. Please do not listen to me. What I am expert in is singing and performing. This is my studio. That's what I do, right? I am not trying to influence anything. I'm learning from you, okay? So he's absolutely right there. Influencers are trying to drive it up. They are, because all they care about is themselves. My first interest is this community. My first interest is you, and I couldn't care less about becoming a millionaire. I just want to earn enough to pay the bills, which I'm doing. Thank you very much. But I love this community. It's important to me that people love this show, a part of it, learn from each other, and get something positive out of it. Every day feel good, make money, make friends, do well. So there you go. Let's go back to what he says. After that, it will go up to 100,000. What I've been saying plus, right? After the last bull run, will collapse again at the beginning of 2022, deeper than anyone will think, which will also have to do with the market manipulation. At this moment, the big crowd will have the last chance to shop cheaply. There will not be a crypto winter, as in the past of the 4 years continues. Rather, there will be a change at the top of the crypto world. In my opinion, Bitcoin will be replaced at the top in 2022 and 2023. And I would totally commend that opinion. That's my opinion as well. Totally believe in that. And I really hope, sincerely hope, that people watching this channel will share this channel. I've been sat here for nearly 3 hours. I get nothing from it, nothing whatsoever, because I love a community and bringing people together and so on and so forth. And we are here to learn, not to influence. That's Nigel Daniels' opinion. It's opinion I share, 100% of that. Let me go back and read some of these comments that are on the screen. Let me have a look. Let's post some of these. Exposing miners. Miners exposes you to Bitcoin without owning the asset. That's a good point. It does, but I love the asset more than anything else. So that's what I think. Scott Leatherbarrow. So Robinhood is best if you're in the US, or can it be used? No, it's not. Don't take my word for it. It's best. For me, is it 21 million people in the US use Robinhood. Some very, very big investors use Robinhood. I love Robinhood because there are no charges, no transactional fees, and you can fractional share. I've traded with Barclays Bank and they charge me $5 every time to trade, and I just can't make any money, right? I want to be able to buy $1 worth of Amazon. That's what I can do with Robinhood. I want to be able to sell and it doesn't cost me anything. I love it. It's easy. I've tried Webull. I hate the app. I've tried other platforms. I hate the apps. This is so easy. So if you're in the US and you want to get a free stock, completely free, you can sell it if you don't like it. Here is my referral. Please use it. It's below any one of my videos. Anybody's watching this. And we both get a free stock. So there you go. Looking at Argo blockchain, we're talking about investing. This is not the right time to invest. I'm not saying it's not good, but obviously it's not the right time to invest because the price keeps dropping. And I don't say it's finished dropping yet. So, but what do I know? It's how I feel. My feelings tend to work for me. Right, Martin. Seriously, this is a relevant read. Okay, I'm gonna look at that one. I'm going to bring that up in a second. I appreciate what you're doing, as I have invested heaps in Argo over the past few years. Appreciate what you are doing, as I have invested heaps in Argo over the past few years. Very welcome, from New Zealand. Have you smashed the like button? Welcome, welcome, welcome. On this note, I want to give a little bit of light, just change the mood just for a minute, have a bit of fun, calm myself down. It's how I invest best. Let's have a bit of fun. Let's have a bit of fun. Has anybody got anybody here whose birthday is today, or birthday a few days ago, or a few days coming up? Does anybody know anybody who's got a birthday who would like a special treat? If you do, come into YouTube right now or in the chat, tell me, and I want to do something special for somebody. So you have to send me your number in email, so I'll tell you all about Telegram. Okay? I will do that. I also think that I will dive in some more, so hard to predict. No, it's not. It's not about predicting. It's not about predicting at all. This is not a casino. We're not gambling. We're investing. And Bitcoin is about long-term investing. It's not about predicting tomorrow's price. It's about being involved in the most stable asset of all time, leaving your money there and watching it grow. 38,000 and then 60,000 in the coming weeks. That's good. I agree. I think it will go up to 100,000. I totally agree with Jay on that, which will be great for Argo blockchain. Let's bring that up. There are also really good influencers. There are some, I'm sure. But remember, if someone is a monetized channel, I'm not a monetized channel. I will be eventually. I'm not right now. They make money out of you watching this show, and they trade on sensationalism. They trade on headlines. That's how they get you to watch the show. You know, I get that. That's why this is called The Day Trader. It is what it is. All the big YouTubers, every single one, and don't tell me it's not true, because it is. I've worked with some of the biggest YouTubers in the world. I know what I'm talking about, right? They have thumbnails, right, with a dramatic face. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh, we're losing money. How many of you have seen that? Graham Stephan. I love Graham Stephan. But how many times does he do this? Oh, money's going down. Or, hey, money's gone up. Because they're trying to drag you in using sensationalism. My thumbnails are always, this is my face. This is the facts. You follow me because you like what's here and people share this. I don't get people in from sensationalism and thumbnails. I don't believe in it. Okay? That's why it takes more time to grow my channel. Consider, what if China made a digital currency tied to their yuan? They could do that, but Bitcoin is by far the most advanced technology. Bitcoin is the limited to 22 million. It can't replace Bitcoin. I have to disagree. Bitcoin won't be replaced as the main store of value. I have to disagree. Bitcoin won't be replaced. That's exactly what I just said. Jay, we're a little bit out of sync here. I'm reading the comments. It won't be replaced. Bitcoin is the most secure asset. Doesn't matter who comes out with binky bonk, dinky donk, diddly squat. It doesn't matter. Bitcoin is the original. It's like the internet. It's the staple of all of this. It's the purest form. You need to listen to Michael Saylor. I will always look realistically, never to market anything. My job is to protect and multiply mine and your money. Me and about poor, spot on, same. It's about a family, it's about community, it's about honesty. I want to grow this channel and be proud of my channel, not proud of how much money I've got. Couldn't care less how much money I've got. The CBT of any country would be the equivalent. What we have now, nothing would change. Buy the fear, sell the greed. So you want to buy the top? No, I don't want to buy the top at all. See, it's still going down. Let's have a look at it. See, Argo is still going down. All right. Digital currencies are extremely liquid. If China dropped a yuan derivative that was digital, it would explode. It would not affect Bitcoin, though. But but it would be just a digital fiat currency. Yes, it would. Nothing is completely irrelevant of Bitcoin. Totally agree. No store of value. Totally agree. There's no real backing either. Bitcoin has no real backing either. I just tried to get Robinhood, but it's not available in South Africa. No, it's not. It's only available in the US. I'm very sorry if you tried to get that in South Africa. I don't have any suggestions because I have no knowledge of any brokerages in South Africa. You would need to do your own diligence. Its value is entirely based on whatever currency you trade it with, but there are only 21 million. There are. Are you just talking on Bitcoin or any other subjects? Let me show you. Right, all of them. Bitcoin is 20% of my portfolio. Chris, this is my portfolio. For the benefit of Chris, who just joined us, has anyone got a birthday or anyone they'd like to dedicate a song to? A birthday song. Has anyone got a birthday coming up a week from now, a week behind? Anyone they know? Because I want to do something very special for that person, live from my studio now, and you can give them a little gift. I was voted World Piano Man by Elton John, and I'm in the mood for just doing something. We had Zoe's birthday yesterday. She was a 7-year-old. Her dad donated something to her. So there we go. Let me know. But in it being manipulated, it would increase the value only of current holdings. Right. So let me share this. This is for Chris. Okay. This is my portfolio. This has grown very steadily. We had a couple of dips here. This dip here was when we had the devaluation of Virgin Galactic. But I've been growing nicely. This is my portfolio since May. And all this is in the correction of September. All this dropping. But I'm not worried. I'm not worried at all. I was as high as 13%, which is much better than sticking your money in the bank, right? Patricia's off. She's got to cook the dinner. Thank you ever so much for being here. We appreciate it very much. And this is my portfolio, and this is what I've grown, right? I've got a stable portfolio that I built that if I turned my portfolio off for 6 months, I could still be up 10%. That's the idea. If I went to sleep for 6 months, what would happen? My portfolio would still be up. I don't want to have stress, drama. I don't trade on memes, hype. I trade on what I believe the future will be. Good, solid companies run by good people. Right, here is my portfolio in its entirety. I'm going to share with you now. This is for the benefit of Chris, who is asking about it. Are you still here, Chris? Come into the chat and I'll show you. Amazon. I just invited some guys to watch. Thank you so much indeed. Amazon, Johnson & Johnson, Tesla, Facebook, Apple, Coca-Cola. And these aren't just tickers. These are my actual positions, my actual money. Okay. Serious traders over there on TikTok. 90% of you are just coming through to have a bit of a laugh. 10% of you are real traders. Click the profile here. Click my icon on the next screen, and then you will find my YouTube link. Come right in, and you will be in my YouTube channel talking to some biggest traders. We got some huge influencers here. Our friend from Germany, About Paul, with 200,000 followers on TikTok. Come in and join us. All right, click it, the icon. Click the icon again, and then there's a YouTube link. AT&T, Disney, VTI, Google, Microsoft. These are all my top 10. We're now outside of that. SPCE, Rolls-Royce up 43%, as you can see. MasterCard, PayPal, United Airlines, Builder, Tesco's, National Grid, Lithium, Boeing, Berkshire Hathaway, the famous Warren Buffett, the worst stock I've ever bought in, by the way. Warren Buffett's not made me a single penny. I've made no money on this whatsoever. Then we move down to ETFs, which cover a whole market of things, like what I'm interested in: SpaceX, Starlink, future internet, wind, solar technologies for the future, going to space, all that great stuff. Then my dividend stocks, which pay me a dividend every month, every week, every quarter, what have you. And then have some new stocks. We got Lucid here, a new car company, the first vehicle that does 500 miles. Harpoon Therapeutics, we sent a big boost today. Carnival. Cruise lines, a little bit there. I've sold out my profits on that one now. There we go. And we're looking at Argo blockchain as well. And underpinning all of that is Bitcoin. Bitcoin deflationary, fiat inflationary, totally agree, because you can keep printing more fiat currency, whereas Bitcoin will be limited to 21 million, so the price will go up. I absolutely agree. You have to see it conceptually. It's not that it is assuming that they don't dilute Bitcoin because they control it. Inflationary is that it acts like the same way. I love all this conversation, by the way, between Kenneth and Jay. Love this. By the way, folks, about Paul, you absolutely need facilities in the field of biotech, corona, and vaccine. I have Pfizer. I did have, what was it? I sold out of it. Moderna. I sold out and made some profit there. We got some new people here. I have a young sister and bro turning on the 1st of October. Great. Right. Fantastic. FOMOLO 2363. A young sister and brother turning on the 1st. Okay, what are their names? What are their names? And introduce yourself to the world. We're going to give a special gift now. Right? Because I need to lighten the mood right now. I love all this heavy conversation. But I make money from being calm, relaxed, great family, great knowledge, great insight, but also a little bit of relaxation and music. What they will start doing is splitting Bitcoin. So I see Bitcoin would be worth $1,000 a Bitcoin. So we're worth $1,000 a Bitcoin. I have 50 kilometers next to the company's I live 50 kilometers next to the company's biotech. This is a good choice, my friend. There we go. Thank you. Right. So, FOMOLO, we want the names of your brother and sister. Young sister and brother. Give me the names, and we're going to do happy birthday for them, and you can share the video with them. It's a bit of gift from me. Just a bit of background for those who just tuned in. I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man. This is my TV studio, and we do live concerts every night with a global audience. And from time to time, when we're getting all heavy and technical on all of this, I'd like to have a quick break, and we're watching Argo blockchain. We're watching all of these shares right now. We've had a big day today, everything dropping, and we're just waiting for the names of FOMOLO, his brother and sister, so we can sing them happy birthday. And I want everybody to say happy birthday in the chat. We want some positive energy coming in. Another developer for the vaccine and for corona personally. There we go. Jay, you assume I don't understand these principles. I'll let that conversation carry on there with Kenneth. I love it. We got some great people in this chat. This is what we do. And as everyone gives a thumbs up, we've got 20 likes now. Once we go over 25, then YouTube start to share the video and we get a big crowd. All right. If you've not subscribed and rung the bell yet, I was just about to do happy birthday for FOMOLO and his brother and sister, but he hasn't given us the names though, and I can't do it without the names. Ethan says, please say Bob. There you go, Bob. Hello, Bob. How are you? If we've got anybody who's got a birthday or friends, come on into the live chat on YouTube, and I will do it for you. QQQ has continued. Oh, they are Bridget and Tom, sir. Bridget is going to be 10. Oh, look at this. Brilliant. A 10-year-old and a 6-year-old. This is for Bridget and Tom. Right, okay. So, let's get the smoke going. All right. And I want, because we're a family here, right, helping support everybody, let's have a bit of love right now, right? We're all losing money today. Nothing's great. Well, you're not losing money. I've been buying the dip, so it's an opportunity to grow even more. So we're watching everything drop, but we're okay with it. But what we're going to do now is for Tom and Bridget, we're going to do happy birthday. So I want everyone to say happy birthday, Tom and Bridget. They're only 10 and 6 years old, and we're going to make them a viral video. And FOMOLO can share it to all his family. You can click the share of this video, and they can all see it. Okay, all the family can see it. And I'm going to sing happy birthday. In 2002, Sir Elton John named me World Piano Man while I was playing in Euro Disney Paris. And I'm going to go live now over to my piano and do it for you, all right? So I'm going to get ready. I want everyone to copy and paste 10 times each, happy birthday, Tom and Bridget, in the chat, please. Let's do something great for our new friend here. What country are you from? And when you've done that, I'm going to go and get everything ready. Here we go. All right. So we're over here at this part of the TV screen now. As you can see, this is where we are. Look, you see we're over here now. And we're just getting ready to do happy birthday for Bridget and Tom. Absolutely great. I love doing these for people. And we want everyone to wish them happy birthday in the chat, all right? We want to blow up the chat. Okay. I think everyone's a bit behind me. If everyone refreshes their screen, there you go. About Paul's done it. If everyone could refresh their screen and catch up, I think you may be 15, 20 seconds behind. Just refresh your screen. Make sure that you might be buffered. There we go. There we go. Over on TikTok, you can't see anything. You can only hear it. If you want to see it, click the profile link here. Click the profile icon again, and then you will find the YouTube link. Come on in, everyone. Happy birthday, Tom and Bridget. They're only 10 years old and 6 years old. Copy and paste it. Let's get a bit of a viral video here for our friend. All right, there we go. We can just type 200 letters. Yeah, but just copy and paste it. Just copy and paste it. So, right, happy birthday. Copy and paste it. You can do it as many times as you like. Let's do it. I want to do something special now for our friend here. You ready? Okay. So here we go. We're going to go over to the piano right now. Bridget and Tom. They're just 10 and 6. Here we go. All right. You ready? Okay. Let's do it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tom and Bridget. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Happy birthday, Tom and Bridget. Happy birthday to you. Oh, here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, no, to you. Happy birthday, Tom and Bridget. 10 and 7. 10 and 6. Happy birthday to you. There we go. Great stuff. Let's go back over to trading. I feel so much better for doing that. Wonderful stuff. There you go. time to buy Solana and Dogecoin. So we, oh, hang on. Let's turn back on again. There we go. Fantastic. Let me just set the lights back again. There we go. Right, there we go. I hope you enjoyed that. A little bit of fun from the back of the studio for our birthday. Kalala Hacker, happy birthday. Khalil, wonderful stuff. If you've just come on into the show, give us a thumbs up. Help us grow on YouTube. We're 9 weeks old this week, and we've gone from 0 to 1,500 subscribers. And I'm going to, for all of those of you that enjoyed that, let me just show you. On the Day Trader, where you are right now, this is where you are on the Day Trader. Let me just get back to it. And the video that you're on, if I click on it and mute it, we don't want to hear myself twice, do we? Once is enough. All right. You can click share this video. Right. Here we are. To you. It's on YouTube forever. All you got to do is click the share button down here, look, and you can text it to who you want. So you can share your family, and we can have some fun with that. There you go. Happy birthday, Tom and Bridget. Happy birthday. Okay, and if you enjoyed that, just very quickly as we go back to the trades, if you like my music and you want to enjoy every night, I do a live concert for guests around the world. Click just below on the Day Trader. Just click below here. Look, there's the Martyn Lucas channel. Click there. Look, you click on that. This takes you to my Martyn Lucas channel. This is my main music channel, and you scroll down and upcoming live streams, and that will tell you when I'm live for you in your time zone. Upcoming live stream. I'm live every day at 4 p.m. Central, which is 5 p.m. Eastern Time, which is 10 p.m. in the UK, and we do live requests. And I do 14 voices, 650 songs, and in 7 different languages. And if you want to join me live, you can later on. So I invite you to subscribe to that channel and be part of it. Thank you very much indeed. All right, back to the trading, and we're going to finish the show in a few moments' time. We've been going for several hours. It's a day when everything is down. It's a day when I can't actually invest anymore. All my money is spent. Hello there, I'm from Morocco. What do you think about the relation between Bitcoin and BIG? B-I-G, and the big lie? Tapering is coming soon. Wow, thank you, Mr. Lucas. That meant a lot for me. It's been 2 months since I left boarding school. I appreciate it a lot, sir. God bless. Thank you. Well, that's what this channel is about. We support everyone. We hopefully educate everyone, not from my information, but from everybody in the live chat. We have some amazing people in our live chat every day. We do the opening and closing bell. If you've subscribed and rung the bell, you won't miss anything. And I need to explain what the subscribe and ring the bell is, because not everyone knows what that means. Just here is, in fact, if I go to... if I go to my other channel, there, look. See there, look. Unsubscribe. You have to click this button here, let's see. When you subscribe to a channel, you go subscribe, and then the little bell next to it here, you select the bell, and you select all. There, you see it there, look. See the all button? Do that again. Ring the bell, all. That way, you'll be notified when we do live events. If you don't do that, you miss out on the events. Okay, and we go live every day and every evening at this time, so you know when we're live. And it's all there posted as upcoming live stream. Coming back in 30 minutes. Check your emails, my friend. I will check my emails, but it's time for me to end the show now, though. Here we go. Would be that's a good idea. I'm reading an idea that Daniel has for the show. Very, very interesting. I like that idea. I'm not going to read it out to anyone because it's a little thing we're thinking about doing in the future. But I like that. See you next time. Thank you very much indeed. I will check all the emails. Answer me. I will do indeed. Congratulate. Thank you ever so much for supporting our channel. Really do appreciate it very much. Absolutely great. And this is our position today. We're up 3% total, but everything is down. I can't invest in anything. Let's go back to Argo blockchain. Has it continued to drop? Yes. Continue to drop. It's at 1570 now. Has anyone heard from Dras? Dras is one of our members here. Is it ARXP? ARXP. What was it? ARXP, is it? What was it? What was that? Oh, NRXP. NRXP. I was trying to think what it was. Let's have a look. Oh. So it did return though, didn't it? NRXP did return, but it's dropped again. Yeah, it's just down. Oh dear. We got a dear friend who's a regular of the show. He hasn't been in since NRXP dropped so much. We have a member of the show who has all his money on one stock, all of it, and a large amount. And I'm terribly worried that he's well, if he hasn't sold out, he's lost all his money basically, which nobody wants to see. And nobody, and I want to reiterate this because people follow what I'm doing. Never follow me, and please, on a sort of closing note, never use this. I've got margin here. I've got leverage. I never use it. Robinhood want to give me $37,000 right now to spend right now. I can buy $37,000 worth of Bitcoin right now. Thank you very much. At a very, 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 very low interest rate. But if the market drops, they will do a margin call and take all my stocks that I've got and sell them. And right now, my stocks are down. Amplitude is opened 43% up. What a pop. Now, that's a pop that Argo should have had. Look at that for a pop. There you go. This is a new stock today we talked about. And there it is. It's up a dramatic 43%. Well, watch that for a couple of minutes. See where that goes. It's, wow. Yeah, you ain't kidding. Whoever invested in that is, yeah, from 25. Yeah. That's some pop. 35 to 50 instantly. Right. That's a pop and a half. Shall we watch it? See where that goes. All right. What I want to do now is make a decision whether I'm going to watch this or I'm going to end the show. So everybody that's watching right now on YouTube, please do go into the chat and just say, I'm still here. Hello. Any word you like. I want to see how many people are in. And if we've got less than 10, I'm going to end the show right now. So I want to see who's in. If you're over there on TikTok and you want to be part of the real traders, TikTok, 90% just come in to laugh and say silly stuff and all the rest of it. And they just browse through looking for naked ladies. If you are actually interested in trading, making money, talking to some of the biggest traders here, we've got some top influencers here, top people here in the chat. We've got a guy here with 200,000 followers on TikTok here. Then you click the profile here, you click the icon on the home on the next page, and then you'll see my YouTube link. Okay, so you click the profile here, you click the icon on the next page, and then there's a YouTube link. Come on in, and yo, I'm chilling. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm cool. I'm cool with seeing naked ladies. Well, then why are you here, Kenneth? You need to be on TikTok. You're wasting your time here talking to me then, because there's no naked ladies coming through here. I'll tell you that for nothing. All right. Up 49%. Look at it. Up 50%. Ooh. Would you buy in that now? What do you think of that? You'd be happy. Adam Hoban is here. Adam Hoban is new to the chat. A new member to the party. Insert horrible joke here. What's that? What have you written there in the chat? What have you done there? I don't see what that is. Adam Hoban. Let's welcome Adam. Adam, where are you from? What part of the world are you from? City or country? Or both? I'm from Texas, originally from Cornwall in the UK, over here in Texas in my studio. Allow me to introduce myself to you. I'm the World Piano Man, voted by Elton John as the World Piano Man. This is my TV studio. And I do live concerts every day from here to the world. And during the daytime, I like to invest on the stock market. That's what we're doing here. And welcome to you. With Bitcoin and lots of this is my overall portfolio. Everything is real. Everything is shared. We've got some very, very big investors and influencers who are part of the group. Everyone is here to share knowledge, information with all of you. We learn from each other. We have an open forum. Anyone can take part. And you're watching my real portfolio growing. It started here from right back here from May, and this is what it's grown to. This is live. You're watching it live, and we learn from each other. Callie Hacker, what do you think about the relationship between Bitcoin and the big Fed's file? Tapering is coming soon. I'll get Kenneth to answer that. Kenneth, what do you think about that, Kenneth? Tapering should start mid-2022. I would prefer John and Kenneth to answer that question. The stock market is mostly self-fulfilled prophecy. If enough people buy a lie, it becomes a truth. Oh dear. Yeah, no lies here though. No lies here. I'll tell you that for nothing. And if any, I'll tell you now. If any one of my moderators, or in fact they wouldn't happen because they wouldn't be a moderator. But if anyone was caught out lying or making up stuff just to promote themselves, you can promote yourself, and I encourage it. Promote your business, promote anything you want. I love it. I want you to use our platform. You've supported it. It's now your platform. Promote any business, anything you want. But if anyone lies and tries to deceive people, that's it. I'll ban them from the channel, because I want this channel to be honest and open and upfront and benefit all. 51. 52. What do you think about Amplitude? Would you jump in on it now? You'd be a brave man to buy now, wouldn't you? I mean, wouldn't you be a brave man to buy Amplitude now? Oh, There is no legitimate reason for a stock price to follow Fibonacci retracement. Yeah, it does. It's a lie that's become truth. Hello from New Zealand. I'm not touching Amplitude. No, I'm not going to buy in at 52% either. I mean, I haven't got any money left anyway. All my money's invested now, so I'm not. I mean, seriously, that's a classic example of fear of missing out. See a stock open at 50% up and buy it straight away. I mean, that would be ridiculous. Welcome, Kiwi, New Zealand. There we go. Fantastic. If you've just joined in the show today, we had a special moment today on the show. One of our guests said it's my brother and sister's birthday. So live on the show, if we go to, hang on, the Day Trader, this is what you're watching right now. If we go back here, my brother and sister's birthday, and just a few moments ago, we were back here, and we did a birthday. There we go. This was just a few moments ago. If you've got a birthday, let me know and I'll do it for you. You can do it as many times as you like. Let's do it. I want. There we go. This was a few moments ago, live on the show. We've got someone with a birthday. We love it when this happens. A brother and sister. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, no, to you. So there you go. Fed can't stop tapering next year. Khalil Hacker can't get any got any magic tricks. We do one special request a day for 2 minutes. We've been on air for 4 hours. It's not a bloody variety show. It's not a variety show. Oh, that's funny. Right, where are we? Live. We're still down on the hour. Today, 3.5%. Look at that, everybody. Have you seen a day like this before? We've got a seriously down day. Let me find you an article. I can't believe. There we go. There's altitude. Look, if you just bought at 50%, look, just a little dip. What are we going to see? Should we expand the chart and have a look at that? See what's been going on. I'll tell you what we'll look at as well. Let's look at the volume. Let's look at the volume of this as well. Here's the. There we go. There it is. Oh, look at the volume. All good. I'm down 1.82. About Poor is back. We're just about to end the show. Let me have a look. Let me have a look at this. AMPL. Would you invest in this right now? Wow, what a pump that is. AMPL. I bet they're excited, aren't they? Blimey. Right, 6 million. There you go. Now we're talking what Argo blockchain didn't have. 6 million on the first few minutes. All right, that's a pop. That's what you're talking about with an IPO. See, they can never say whatever they want, and it controls the flow of the ocean. The fish follow. Welcome back, About Poor. Yeah, he's here. This guy here, he's got 200,000 followers on TikTok. I mean, seriously, I mean, bloody hell. Nearly 250,000. And it's got quite an influence. And what's great about that for us is he wants to support our channel, our YouTube channel, and everything else. By the way, I want to thank About Poor for doing the record numbers of happy birthdays. That was absolutely brilliant. How's it going, Kenneth and John? Alex is in the house. This is a record show, by the way, today. We've never... actually, it's not quite as long as... It's not an all-time record, but it's getting up there. It's getting up there, folks, to tell you that. Just to let you know, Friday will be our last show from the studio for a month. I'm shutting the studio down. I have to do some upgrades and stuff like that. And I have to do some, modernization, changing cables. So I'm shutting the studio for a month, and I'm doing on location. So I'll be like outside in the back garden. I'll go out for the day or whatever I'll do. So you're going to catch me out and about. So that's what's going to happen through the month of October. McAfee, Victoria's Secrets, Alfie, all up to date. McAfee, I think I'm in McAfee, aren't I? Let's have a look at it. MC McAfee, there we go. MCFE. I think I have a small position in this, don't I? Yes, I have 20 shares. Yes, I'm up 1.46. Nice timing for the weather. Yeah, perfect, right? Perfect. 200,000 just with one account in TikTok. We have up to 5 million followers in TikTok and also 5 million in other platforms. How about YouTube? What do you do on YouTube? Because YouTube is I believe the most profitable platform. TikTok has been great to grow. I mean, this is a brand new channel, 9 weeks old, and by far the majority of our subscribers have come from TikTok. 90% on TikTok watching me right now. Thousands come through it every day. 90% just browse through. They're looking for naked ladies and say silly stuff. But some, 10%, come onto YouTube. And for those watching right now, click the profile link here and click the icon again, and then you will see the YouTube link. All right, come on over. We've got some big influencers, big YouTubers, big TikTokers here in the live chat on YouTube, and you can see my trading screens. All right, that's where you want to be. Amplitude, look, it's just leveled out a bit. Not dropped though. You'd expect a big sell-off, wouldn't you? That's optimistic, don't you think? What does everyone think about Amplitude? With a 50% pop, I was expecting to see a big drop there. And it's nothing. No one sold. What do you think about that? Yeah, McAfee, a virus protector. Yeah, that's what I used to think it was. Alex, that's what I thought McAfee was, a virus protector, you know, yeah, a firewall and antivirus software. That's what I thought it was, but it's so much more than that. Amplitude is very interesting, folks. Yeah, but when you get a 50% pop, traditionally, that just drops straight back. I'm surprised that hasn't dropped. A 50% drop, a profit, and no one sold. Frelling Albertsons is up. Geez, he says. I am surprised. Come on, guys, you gotta be with me. 50%, a 50% pop on Amplitude, and it doesn't drop back. I don't remember seeing. There we go. Someone sold. Someone said, hang on a minute, I've made 50% on this. I'm out. But tiny. Mind you, that was the original pop when it opened. Right? That's the original pop. And then the sale and the buy and the sale volume are about the same. So, okay. That would, in my book, that would predict we're about to get a plop. A plop down, a plop. That's not a drop. I meant. I post your YouTube on Facebook, and I am deeply thankful. Deeply thankful. Thank you very much indeed. I post your YouTube on Facebook and Twitter now. Hey, about pause. Make it. I've got a big TikToker here with 200,000. Hey, about Paul. Could we do a duet on TikTok? Something on, the duet thing, so your followers could learn about me and I could learn about them. Let's do that. I've just realized that. About Port is a very, very big a plop. Yeah. I've made friends this morning with a guy with 200,000 followers on TikTok. How excited am I? And he's just posted our channel to Twitter and Facebook. That's great. Facebook does nothing for me. I hate Facebook. It's useless. Mark Zuckerberg shows none of my stuff at all. All right, about Paul, I'm going to invite you then to something because you've been so good to me, right? Right. We are on the Day Trader right now. Pay attention, Mr. About Paul, right? We're on the Day Trader right now. If you scroll down, my main channel, Martyn Lucas, here. It's right here. Wow, 4.8. We're nearly 5,000 now. That's grown a lot today. Click on here, Martyn Lucas, and scroll down, upcoming live streams. This afternoon, I'm doing a live concert from my studio. Only a couple more left now before I shut the studio down for a month. And I will do you a request. live in the show. We have a few beers and we celebrate the day. Not today, we won't. We're going to commiserate the day. And I will do you a request. What's your favourite music? I'll do a request for you live in the show. And I'll promote you live on my show because I've got a big audience on my YouTube channel, on the Martyn Lucas Show. This channel is brand new, it's small. It's only 9 weeks old. So there we go. It's slowing down now. Look at the volume. Slowing down now for that initial explosion on amplitude. Let's see what happens now. Be interesting to see. Facebook is still down. What did Ford do in the end? Did anybody follow Ford after I sold out? I'm glad I sold. Continue to drop all day long. I sold up here. And this is why I sold. Because it's had a really good week. I managed to get up there. So I sold my position. It's doom and gloom, isn't it? Across the whole board. Let's see where Bitcoin's going right now. Yeah, Bitcoin's now is trading sideways a little bit. Still falling down. 41. NRXP. Oh, dear, 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 dear. What about Lucid? Lucid, yeah, still down. SpaceX. Sorry, not SpaceX. What am I talking about? Virgin Galactic. I wish I had. Waiting for your article, guys. Article? What article is he waiting for? Let's have a look. Fed can't stop tapering next year. Waiting for your article, guys. Down 7,000 on this. Oh. John Brunette, you're down $7,000. Ouch. I'm sorry, mate. That's tough. Khalil says Fed can't stop tapering. Can't start tapering next year. I'm not quite sure what he means by that. John Brunette has sent us a link. Let me have a look at it. Open in a new tab. Okay, let's open it. Thank you, sir. You're very welcome. What article are you waiting for? Let me bring up this the Fed's report here. Oh, here we go. This is what Khalil's asking for. Thank you, John Brunette, for bringing it in. Okay, here we go. Okay, Khalil Hacker. Fed Powell says taper could start in November, end mid-2002. Let's share this to everybody. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell said the central bank could begin scaling back asset purchase as soon as November and complete the process by mid-2022 after officials revealed a growing inclination to raise interest rates next year. Powell explained the U.S. central bank's first steps towards withdrawing emergency pandemic support for the economy, told reporters Wednesday that tapering could come as soon as the next meeting. That refers to the policy gathering on November 2nd to 3rd, though he left the door open to waiting longer if needed and stressed that tapering was not meant to be a direct signal on the timing of rate liftoff. The timing and pace of the coming reduction in asset purchase will not be intended to carry a direct signal regarding the timing of interest rate liftoff, he said following the completion of the two-day gathering of the Federal Open Market Committee. His performance was being passed both by investors and the White House. The central bank's chief team expires in February, and President Joe Biden is expected to decide this fall whether or not to renominate him for another 4 years in the post. Okay, Feds Powell says taper could start in November. Right, how does everybody feel what that will do to the market? What's everyone's opinion? I've got my opinion, but I'd like to hear from you. What do you think that will do to the market? Do you see it being positive or being negative? Let's get that conversation going in the chat. Will tapering be a positive or a negative thing for our shares and the market as a whole? How to join? Are being asked on TikTok. Very, very simple. If you are the 10% of TikTokers that are serious traders and want to talk to the top traders and the top influencers that are live in my chat right now, you click the profile link here, you click the icon on the next page, and then you will find my YouTube link. If you're 90% of TikTokers that just want to scroll through and say silly things about my head or look for naked ladies, keep on scrolling, that's fine. But if you're one of the serious traders that want to talk to serious people, see my real money, see my real trades, click the profile here, the icon, then you'll click the icon again on the next page, and then you will see my YouTube link. You'll be in 3 seconds, and you can be part of our show. All right? Great. Come and join us. Fantastic. Okay. So now, in the last few minutes, we are seeing the market increase by 0.11. That's good. That's the best it's been on the hour. And but over today, so far, we're down 2.88. Right. I'm not even going to ask who wins today's show. By the way, who is? Everyone now look on your overall portfolio, your main portfolio for the day. What is your position? I am down 2.88. So I'm sure I lose the day. Anybody beat me? I'm down 2.89 on the day. Does anybody beat me? I think it's got 2.87. Slight 2.86, slight improvement. John is down 3.82. So I beat John. Do I beat anybody? Do I win the day? I doubt it very much. But let's get everyone's scores on the doors, please. And let's find out who wins. NRXP, down, 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 down. Bitcoin now starting to recover a little bit. Oh, well, not really. Ignore I just said that. Harpoon is up 5 point, up six today. That's good. I'm down 22% on that now. That's a long-term play, that one is, for me right now. I can't do nothing with that. These are the news reports we covered earlier. Lucid just moving up slightly now in the last hour or so. So, am I the winner? I'm going to give everyone 30 seconds. I've beaten John. I'm sure I'm not the winner, but I'm going to declare myself the winner unless anybody can beat me. What was everyone's opinion on the tapering? Ford are just trading sideways now. Virgin Galactic down nearly 6.5% today. That's a heck of a drop for Virgin. Heck of a drop. Walmart is down. Microsoft is down. Everything is down. Basically, down everything. All right, just to say that. That would probably be the easiest way of saying it. Down. All right. Well, let me go back to Argo a minute. Let me type Argo in there. See what it's doing. Argo. Is Microsoft going to recover? Yes. In my opinion, in my humble opinion, I believe it will. Let's show you. This is my Microsoft position. Let's look at Microsoft over the last 5 years. Very good company, of course. Huge pedigree. I would say now is a time to get yourself a bargain, as any of these stocks are right now. And then just wait. I know I'm the day trader, but I swing and I also long-term invest. And I don't mind waiting at all for this to recover and grow. I will tell you my opinion, guys. Tapering will not come soon. They cannot stop QE, nor the end of this year, quantitative easing, I believe that is, nor the end of this year, nor the next year, because USA can't export without quantitative easing, because the Eurozone still embrace her, and there's a little bit missing there, or it continues. Please feel free to add some more. So, am I the winner then? So long, okay. So, am I the winner? It looks like I'm the winner. I'm going to declare, even though I don't think it can possibly be me the winner. Nobody else has said their positions. I reckon everyone's worse then. So, the day trader, the winner today, down, who's up the most, is me, down 2.76. I thought I'd never say that. There you go. Congratulations to me. I don't know how that's possible, but there you go. All right, there we go. We're going to end the show now. It's time to go. Thank you ever so much for being here. Been a wonderful audience. What's going on with Alibaba? Down 40% in 4 months. Yeah, I wouldn't touch Alibaba. It's a Chinese, controlling everything, destroying everything. Let them get on with it. Not interested in China at all. I wouldn't invest in it. I know some of my traders here believe in it, but I wouldn't touch it. Right, we're going to end the show now. I'll be back later. If you go to the day trader, right where you are now, this is where you are. You are on the day trader right now. We're live here. You scroll down, upcoming live streams. This is my TV guide. This tells you when we're back next, so you never need to miss another show. So I'm going to click on the closing bell. This is us later on. This is us later on, and I'm going to give you the link right now. So here is the link for the show later on. You can find it yourself on the homepage, but just in case you can't, there it is. We're live in a few hours, or we're live in 3 hours for the closing bell. And thank you very much, everyone, for being here today. It's been an extended show. Amplitude, aren't you glad you didn't buy at the top? Didn't keep on going and up and up and up and up. So we'll keep an eye on that today. Throughout the day, we will add that to our list. There we go. Add to list. New ideas. Absolutely. Great. All right. Remember this day when it popped 50%. See what it does next. All right. That's it from me. I want to thank everyone for being part of today's show. It's been great. Lots of new friends. Lots of new people in today. We've got 21 likes. This is absolutely brilliant. Thank you ever so much indeed. Don't forget to smash the like button if you're watching on the replay, and subscribe and ring the bell so you'll be notified of upcoming shows. I've given you the link in the live chat if you want to join me for the closing bell, see where all these stocks ended for the end of the day. And then after that, of course, we have the get drunk, have a beer, commiserate an awful day. Everything's down, but I don't see it as a bad day because I'm not looking to sell my shares. I've bought the dips. I've got rid of Ford. Ford rose today. Got me into a position where I'd covered all my costs and sold out. I was very pleased about that. And then bought some other stocks. So anyway, very, very good. That's it today. Thank you very much for being here. I look forward to seeing you back for the closing bell, if not for the after-show party afterwards. Final thought, that means Bitcoin will grow more and more when devalued when the dollar is devalued. Yes, Bitcoin is stable, it's secure. I'm not, no doubt about it. I'm leaving it alone. I'm sure it's going to go over time. So we're all good. That's it from me. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you for being part of today's extended show. See you back very, very shortly. Take care of yourselves and each other.